traffic.
నమస్కార్
నమస్తే
నమస్కారం
వణకం
ఖుషామదీద్
సలాంకం
సత్ శ్రీ అకాల్
మీకందరికి వందనము
జై స్వామి నారాయణ
జై శ్రీ కృష్ణ
जय जनेन्द्र
मैं स्माली भाइबंधुओं को बोलते या अलविदा
मोराली मतलब बोलते हैं सारे फीजी बंधु को बोलेंगे ईसा बुला बेटा जन हाँ आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारा मैसिव आल्ट बाबा.
And of course, myself, Altarani, like Rapkalako Drive Time Show. It's going to make it totally exciting and totally mastal, but John.
And of course, आज का शो का नाम बता दो आपको. आज है वर्डी वेडनेसडेज क्योंकि हम आज फोकस करने वाले हैं वर्ड्स के ऊपर.
That's right. Today it's all about fun and games, Bandujan. Na 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 na.
Every day now. Talking about you and me, yeah, and the games we play.
हाँ, अगर आप सोच रहे हैं क्या इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं वर्डी वेडनेसडे, इंग्लिश गाना गाते हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं लोग? वेरी सिंपल यार बंजान.
We are very simple है, ये तो बहुत ही सिंपल है because आज हम लोग ना वर्ड्स के बारे में बात करते हैं बंजान. You know, I'll tell you how words important, right?
Yeah.
हमारा we have something called the COVID Creative Initiative of ours, which started off almost 239 days ago.
Correct.
COVID creativity. We knew that there's going to be something like a social physical distancing requirements.
Huh.
But we also knew the fact that because we value social gatherings, social meetups. Also, we value that so much so we understand that it's an integral part of a human formation or human nature, right? Existence, I should say, yeah. Because we require to be. We are social animals, actually. Human beings are social animals. Mm-hmm. No. That's the reason why they don't go by the fact. Oh, that's really good social media. No, social media actually is. We should rename it, Faltuani. Hindi will call for a movement to happen on that. Social media should be called as Shoshan media.
ऐसे क्यों बोलते हैं?
Shoshan, as in it is being used for the wrong purposes.
Oh no!
Spreading misinformation about stuff and everything, and all the censorship, all this are happening everywhere, right? People get more mean when they go on social media, for the matter.
Right.
Yeah, they mean very well. And of course, the message I was telling out there, people actually who hide behind this veil of social identity, social media thing, right? And spew poison.
Yeah, vitriol, literally.
Yeah, including, hello, excuse me, Badhujan, even our current POTUS is not free from it.
Yes, exactly.
And yes, we're going to bring in what we do, the COVID creativity, right, with our bandhus who get on to Geet Mala with us on Fridays, right? Not Fridays, Saturdays actually, Saturday evenings.
Yeah.
We actually have a fun time and we're going to bring back that thing onto our mainstream show today. Mm-hmm. People who actually are listening to us right now, probably are listening to us in your cars, or your cars, or
your
probably
daftars.
daftars.
Yes.
So you probably listening to us on your radio, on your app, on your computer. Probably you might be seeing us on Facebook as well. Facebook.com/Radio D-Hotties. You can blast it on your TVs. And आजकल TV कितने smart हो गए, on करने ज़रूरत नहीं, automatic on हो जाते हैं.
Right.
And वो भी कर सकते हैं. You can just say, turn on to Radio D-Hotties stream on Facebook, and poop, it'll come up, right?
Yes.
And now the point I'm making is, आज Wordy Wednesday में we're going to give you an opportunity to take part with us on air. Number to call here is 408-912-2479 408-912-2479. And oh my God, what a beautiful shit! There's look at what Meenakshi typed on Facebook. Thank you, Meenakshi. Meenakshi is saying, like, but there's always a bright side. We get to talk and listen to our bandhus.
That is so sweet.
On the favorite show.
So sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Meenakshi ji. Yes,
it
indeed.
means a lot. Yes.
Indeed.
I like it. People are honest that way.
Yeah. And it's nice for us also. You know what? This is what I want to give a big shout out to some of our bandhus who have stayed connected and who have stayed with us. No matter what time it is, where you are. Shout out to you, Meenakshi ji. Shout out to you, Deepa. Shout out to some of our other bandhus like... our bandhus like Anna ji, Falguni ji, and so many other bandhus, right? Pranab ji, Vishal ji, all these people who actually call in on the show and connect with us and, share with Ranjit Singh Bhatia Saab, and, who show that they care. Because at the end of the day, आप तो हमारी आवाज़ सुन सकते हो definitely on the radio या app पे, but हमें आपकी आवाज़ तब सुनाई देती है जब आप कॉल करते हो.
वाह, माय गॉड, क्या इमोशनली टेक्निकली पकड़ा तूने फाल्गुनी.
हाँ, I mean
Very good.
it's very important, right? क्योंकि हमें कैसे पता चलता है बंधुजन, अगर आप देखिए हमारा कनेक्शन बना रहता है जब टू वे कम्युनिकेशन हो, राइट?
Two-way communication.
इसी के वास्ते हम लोग आपको बोलते हैं यहाँ पे पिकअप करके फोन पिकअप करके यहाँ पे कॉल करने का जल्द से जल्द,
हाँ.
ताकि हम आपके साथ वार्तालाप कर सके. कम्युनिकेशन थोड़ा ना वन वे होता है.
हाँ,
हैं?
हाँ.
वैसे देखो तो हम भी बोल लगा सकते हैं, अब सुनिए मोहम्मद रफी की आवाज में इस फिल्म का ये गाना.
हाँ,
और
लेकिन
इसकी
लगाते
आवाज
नहीं
में-
ऐसे हम लोग.
हाँ नहीं.
Yeah, we
बजाते
don't
हैं.
do. बजाते हैं. मतलब the point I'm making, Bandhujan, is the fact that we believe in actually social connection, right? Interaction,
Right.
integration. यही हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी चीज है.
एग्जैक्टली बनुजान. एंड इस वजह से हम लोग समझते हैं कि आपका हमारा जो संपर्क है वो बना रहता है. तो डेफिनेटली पिक अप द फोन, गिव अस अ कॉल. आज तो पूरा 100% आप पे रिलायंट है, आप पे निर्भर है, क्योंकि ये गेम खेला जाएगा बिटवीन यू एंड अस. ठीक है, सवाल पे सवाल पे सवाल पूछे जाएंगे एंड जवाब पे जवाब पे जवाब
Yes.
गानों के जरिए आप देते जाएंगे.
Yes. आपके लिए एक टाइमर भी होगा. स्क्रीन पे देखिएगा, यहाँ पे एक टाइमर आ गया है. 30 सेकंड का टाइमर है.
हाँ जी.
30 सेकंड में कितने सारे गीत. वेल, द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट टुडे शो इज,
हाँ.
अगर आप पहली बार कॉल करते हैं,
हाँ.
राइट, एंड आपको 30 सेकंड में आपको, लेट्स से यू लाइक एबल टू स्क्वीज इन, आई नो आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट टू डू लाइक हाउ आई डू इट, like Faltoni, suppose you first attempt you only get around 2 songs,
हाँ.
like you're able to
Eh!
get what.
क्या फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में 2 सॉन्ग्स? कुछ भी रैंडमनेस. मैं ना 8 सॉन्ग्स मेरा रिकॉर्ड है.
Oh, yeah,
मेघा केम क्लोज विद 7 सॉन्ग्स.
So suppose, let's say you're able to get those so many songs in 30 seconds, right?
Yeah.
And no, let's say you were able to do only 2 songs. Initially, Faltoni started the first time, right? For only 2 songs you get actually in the
फिर
whole
से
30.
2 में आ गया तू.
पहली बार, man, when you first started off, you didn't know the concept fully, right, Faltoni?
What?
So it took some time, right, for you to understand. अरे
He's
हाँ
talking
बोल
about
दे.
himself, Panchal.
अरे कभी Ford, excuse me, I was the person who came with the whole idea of the 30-second timer for people, right? And the point making here, Bandujan, is suppose you get the first time only two. Let's say you get 2 only. Let's say doesn't matter.
हाँ.
You can hang up, call back, because your timer, your reset will happen only when you call back,
Yes.
and you can better your chances.
Yes.
You can say, hey, first time I got 2, second time I can get like 3, probably I can get 4, fourth time. जितना बार हो सके कॉल करो. या नंबर आपके लिए फ्री पड़ा है यहाँ पे 4089122479.
एग्जैक्टली 4089122479. एंड हम आपको बता दें, अगर आप यूट्यूब देखना चाहते हैं, यूट्यूब डाउन है. There are a lot of people all over the who are saying that, oh my god, what am I going to do? I don't know how to stay entertained.
Listen to us.
Yeah, exactly. We'll have the music for you and we will also have the banter.
But John again, 408912247 and call us. Come on. Faltoni, do you want to give a misal के तौर पे for our bandus 30-second timer तेरा शुरू करूँ मैं?
ठीक है. तो क्या करना चाहिए बंदों को, ये बता तो बाबा.
यहाँ पे कॉल करना चाहिए. Pick up the call.
I know, but what is the game?
So here's the thing. I will give you words.
हाँ.
Okay? No, you don't have to string the words into songs. No. Just I'll give you one word, right? And आपको एक ऐसा गाना बोलना पड़ेगा जहाँ पे the song should start with the word, or at least have the word in the first sentence.
First line.
First
not
line.
in the third line.
Not in third, not in antra, not at the end of the song. No. First line में ही आनी चाहिए वो word.
हाँ.
Right? Don't worry. I picked very nice words which actually are there in many songs.
ठीक
Right?
है.
So options आपके लिए बहुत सारे ढेर सारा रहेगा. And आपको हम देंगे words. So when you're actually given a word, right?
हाँ.
The most important thing is you should not waste time, because the whole thing is a race against time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's the race against time. It's like, how many you can get in 30 seconds. Suppose I give you a word dil. You can say dil will, pyar where, next you can say that.
Yeah. Just say next. Like after you sing the first line. But you can't just say dil.
Yeah.
And then say next.
Yeah, you can't
That
do
won't work.
You got to sing the first line.
the line. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
ठीक
Very
है?
important. So
हाँ.
Faltoni,
हाँ.
I was thinking of actually going with you, but
We have a bandhu in line.
let's go. Shri Ganesh the Bandhu. Namaskar, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है Pam के Wordy Wednesday. Who's this? Hi.
Hi, Pam, Deepa here.
Oh,
Yeah,
hi Deepa. How are you
Deepa.
doing? Deepa, फालतू here. How are you doing, Deepa? चाय हो गया?
भाई हाँ मैं ठीक हूँ. आप लोग कैसे हो?
मैं तो first class. Thank you so much for asking. ये तो of course आपको मालूम है ना.
क्या रे?
अच्छी है तू भी ना मेरे
अच्छी
साथ ही
हूँ.
चल.
नहीं गेम पता चला. मुझे एक डाउट था
हाँ.
कि एक वर्ड आप दोगे तो सारे गाने उसी वर्ड पे होने
No.
चाहिए क्या?
I'll give multiple words.
हाँ.
मैं एक नहीं.
लेकिन उसमें टाइम चला जाएगा ना. टाइम हमारा 30
लेकिन
सेकंड लूज हो जाएगा.
कहाँ लूज होगा भाई, मैं हूँ ना, मैं दूंगा आपको वर्ड्स यार. You know how fast I give words, right?
Yeah, it's like how many word we'll give you the word.
Oh,
Patak,
so
patak.
you have to factor in that also. She's got a point there.
Yeah.
You have to factor in that
Correct.
also, right? You should make sure that I give the right word for you and you continue. If I go, then okay, I understand.
Then we will accommodate
time.
for that and we'll reset the time.
We'll
ठीक है?
reset them accordingly for you.
हाँ,
Okay?
ठीक है.
Like 30
I
seconds.
am up for the challenge.
Oh my God! You know what I like about you, Deepa?
Yeah.
She's
Yes.
always up for a challenge. You know why she's up for a challenge?
What is yes? Why?
Do you know why? Do you know why? She's up in the mountains. Deepa
Go on.
calls us from mountain
Always
house.
challenging mountain के लोगों के लिए.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah.
So if you're ready right now, Deepa, your timer will start right now. Are you ready?
Yes.
First word, Rama.
रामा रामा क्या है ड्रामा.
Second word, Do.
एक डाल पर तोता बोले, दूसरे डाल मैना. नो, 1 2 3 1 2 3. ओके नेक्स्ट.
Chura.
क्या?
Chura.
जुदा.
Chura.
Chura,
Chura.
chura. Chura, chura. Chura, like steal.
चुरा लिया है तुमने जी दिल को.
Wow,
Okay, good.
not bad, Deepa. For the first time, you got 3 songs.
That's all?
Yeah.
Oh!
Deepa.
नहीं. अरे देखो बहुत टाइम वेस्ट हो गया. एक बार फिर.
अरे अरे
एक बार फिर होने के, no, I'll tell you what, you're right. एक बार फिर होने के, see, sometimes it takes some time to get the concept in, right?
हाँ.
So don't worry.
Yes.
What we'll do is you
और
can
वो
hang up.
चुरा भी मुझे जल्दी से पता नहीं चला ना.
It doesn't matter, Deepa, don't worry. The
Huh.
record actually has been my record of 8 songs. Faltari's got like 5 songs sometimes. But people have got 4 songs and 3 songs. On average, people have got 3 songs.
हाँ.
But don't worry, you can better your average because I know you can do it, Deepa. Now you know the concept, right?
Huh.
What you got to do, you got to
Okay.
hang up and call back again.
Right.
That's when your timer resets. Otherwise, you can't reset timer.
ठीक है? लेकिन वापस कॉल
अरे
करेगा.
नहीं, अभी कर दो ना 30 सेकेंड और.
हाँ, दीपा
It's
फिर
like this.
फिर दूसरे
It's like this. I'm supposed to have breakfast, lunch, dinner for the whole day.
Huh.
But no. What I'll do is I'll have breakfast, lunch, dinner at the same time.
ना
बदस में हो जाएगी बाद में. Don't do that.
नहीं दीपा वो वैसे नहीं वो ऑल यू कैन ईट बुफे फुल मील्स होता है राइट.
हाँ लेकिन उधर
तो
भी
आप
problem हो
बार
सकता है.
बार बाहर जाके आओगे तो
You can eat more.
हाँ you can eat more.
Yeah, but you have to pay more. Okay. Phone calls are free, Deepa. Don't worry about it.
Hey Deepa,
Hey, we get to hear your voice again, Deepa. What is this?
yeah, come on, yeah, Deepa. Today you can do this much at least.
For
Come
me,
on.
yeah. Come on, Deepa.
लेकिन मैं पहली कॉलर हूँ इसलिए दूसरी चांस मिलनी चाहिए मुझे.
लेकिन कॉलर्स है ना दीपा लाइन में इसी के वास्ते.
अच्छा ठीक है.
So call
वापस
back.
कॉल करने का प्लीज कॉल करने का.
Call back for
Yeah.
sure, please. Because we're going to go next call right now, Deepa. Please do give us a call back again. 408-912-247. And hi, namaskar. आपका हाथ इस वाले पैम का वर्डी वेडनेसडे में. Who's this?
Hello.
हेलो पंपम, दिस इज सुनीता.
Hi, Sunita.
Sunita. Pam Pam.
How are you doing, Sunita?
I'm good. How about you?
Wonderful. Yeah, after a long time you're calling us, Sunita. What happened? You lost the phone number?
नहीं या फोन खो गया था.
Phone खो गया था. Impossible. But Sunita, good to hear your voice after a very long time. Thank you for calling us.
So thank you.
So you got the idea of the show, right? What's going to happen?
या आप मुझे एक वर्ड देंगे. गाने की जरूरत नहीं, गाना बोलना जरूरी है.
गाना जरूरी है. मतलब you got to at least sing like kind of a tune.
Sing the first line.
Like how I don't know if you actually listened to radio when Deepa was on.
Yeah.
Like Deepa did that. She quickly sang the song. She was like very quickly. But
Yeah.
the hint for you is don't try to repeat the song
Huh.
or don't go that way. Just sing whatever comes to mind first.
Yeah, whatever comes to your mind.
Yeah. Just don't wait. The idea is to get as many songs in the 30-second time apart.
Yeah, just and if you say you could immediately like अगर जैसे चुरा उसने बोला ना चुरा लिया है. Okay, next. So we know that that's a song.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Very good, Fatwan.
All right, ready?
So, are you ready for your thing, Deepa? Sorry, Sunita?
Yeah, sure.
Your timer starts now. First word for you, laga.
लगा
हाँ.
लगा काटा लगा.
Very good.
Next.
रुक.
रुक जा जाने वाली हो गया.
Okay, नूर.
नूरी आजा रे हो गया.
प्यार.
प्यार दिल प्यार व्यार हो गया.
Very good. इश्क.
इश्क 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 ज़ादे हो गया.
Wow, not bad. You got 5 songs in.
लेकिन मेरे को टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन है मिलॉर्ड.
Yes, go on.
ओके, नूरी चलेगा क्या?
नूरी आजा रे.
चलेगा?
मात्रा सा नहीं बोला था आपने.
हाँ क्या हुआ?
मात्रा सा नहीं बोला था.
हाँ चलेगा. Don't worry. No. She got 5 songs. I mean, she
Good,
give it
yeah,
a-
not bad.
Not bad. That'll be good. It'll be something like, by the way, I'll tell you what, we give the prize for the highest. Today we're going to give a surprise prize for people
Yes, we
who
give
get
a
the
prize.
highest number of songs.
Yes.
And it has to be competitive. Sunita, keep listening because I am 100% sure Deepa is going to call back and she'll better it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's her only on the next slide.
Oh, very good. Sunita, let's do this, okay? Sunita, I'm rooting for you.
Yeah,
Okay, Deepa? Sunita, sorry.
yeah.
No problem.
तो सुनते रहिएगा. It'll be a lot of fun. Please
Yeah.
do call back.
Yeah.
Please do call back. अल्तुमा का एक और क्वेश्चन है. Hello, Pam, कौन है जी?
Hi.
Hello?
Hi, Pam.
Hello.
Hi, Pam.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
we
loud and
can.
clear.
Who is this?
This is Anupam.
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 My God, Anupam, what is this? Everybody you found your phones, is it?
I know, Anupam. Oh, this is Anupam after a long time.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
How many-
Yeah, you guys remember me?
Of course,
Of course
Anupam.
we do.
You've got a wonderful, sweet voice. How can I forget that
You're
voice?
in Milpitas or something, right?
Correct.
Yeah, but now I moved to Fremont.
Doesn't
Okay,
matter.
that's okay.
Fremont is like a neighbor to us.
Yeah.
We love you anyways. Hey, Anupam, I'll tell you one thing here. Once you call our show, you become bandhus to us. No matter where you go, you can't help it. You become bandhu of us.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
You
It's
don't
like,
have a choice.
once a
Yeah.
bandhu, always a bandhu. And we'll always love you.
हाँ, वो
Yeah.
वो मैं तुम्हें छोड़ के कभी नहीं जाऊंगा.
नहीं,
Anupam.
Not that way.
I'll
तुम हमें
permanent
भूल
bandhu
जाओ.
for you guys.
No, Anupam, no. तुम हमें भूल जाओ. ये हो नहीं सकता. और हम तुम्हें भूल जाओ. ये होने नहीं दूंगा.
देंगे.
That was my impression of Shuli Shetty, by the way. Sounded very nice, right? Anupam, very good. Yeah, Anupam, we've had 2 ladies who came in. Deepa, who actually I have very high hopes for. She's going to be making sure she's going to beat the record today, Faldwani.
Yeah.
But I suddenly, Sunita's capabilities, yeah, Anupam, you heard her, is it?
Yeah.
Sunita was like, tuck. I think she also is a Bollywood buff, Faldwani.
Yeah, I
5
think so.
songs? She did 5 songs?
5 songs,
5
man.
songs, dude.
And Anupam, let
Oh
me tell
my
you.
God.
Anupam, I'll tell you one thing. We have been doing this for almost 10 years now, Faldwani.
Yeah.
10, 11 years. 11th year in
This is
progress.
our 12th year.
इतिहास गवाह है अनुपम. इस पर्टिकुलर शो में, इस फॉर्मेट में, इस पर्टिकुलर चैलेंज में जो हम लोग बोलते हैं वर्डी वेडनेसडेज.
हाँ.
There's also a variation to it called Taka as well. But the thing is, Wordy Wednesday में men folk have always kind of not shined so much.
Oh, the only person who is kind of done.
Ranjit Bhatia ji.
No, Kishan Prativadi.
Kishan Prativadi from Palo Alto. He actually, a long time ago, he was
Yeah.
a person, he used to go tuck. He got around 6 or something like that, right?
Yeah, he came up to he came to 6 and Megha came to 7. He
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Megha used to be
You
tied.
made me nervous now. I'll
no.
be happy if I can say one song at least.
Doesn't matter. You know, the best part of today's show, right? I told Sayyid and Deepa also. Doesn't matter. You got to call back and try again.
Yes.
Because what happens is because to understand the concept will take some time, right?
Yeah.
And our brain sometimes got so much of stress things going on during the day, right? This is like, it has to work like quick on its heels.
Yeah.
No, toes.
Yeah.
Toes, not
On-
heels.
on your
Heels
toes.
80 नहीं चाहिए हमें तो बस toes चाहिए.
हाँ.
हाँ, on toes. So that's what will take some time. But you can always call back and better your score. Okay, Anupam?
Yeah, that's the fun
Yeah,
of the
yeah,
game.
yeah.
That's the fun of the game.
I
So
think
the,
in case I'm not getting any song, I can ask for next word, right?
yes,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can say pass. You
Just
can
say
say
pass or just say next.
Yeah.
Okay? Are you ready for your challenge?
Yeah. Let
You're-
me take a deep breath.
Yeah, do that.
Breathe in
Yeah.
and breathe out. Okay. just
Very
kidding.
good.
Yeah.
Are you breathing in right now? Are you breathing out?
I'm done with both.
Okay, good. Your timer starts now. First word for you. Ah.
आजा आजा मैं हूँ प्यार तेरा
आंखों.
आँखों की आँखों में इशारा हो गया बैठे बैठे जीने का सहारा हो गया
नगमा.
नगमा पास नेक्स्ट
गीत.
गीत गाता चल ओ साथी गीत गाता चल
Whoa, my God, Father, you know what he got?
He got
4.
3.
4.
3. Nagma he didn't get.
Yeah, I skipped Nagma, right?
Yeah, but
Oh yeah, I skipped the move.
Yeah.
अरे तो हाँ,
चार हुआ ना वहीं
मैं
पे?
दो
यार
line गा रहा
आप
था,
बहुत
right?
अच्छा नहीं,
तो
दो
कुछ
लाइन
कुछ
नहीं गाने
गानों
का, एक लाइन गाने का, थोड़ा और एक्सटेंड करना यार. He sang the whole 2 lines.
No, if I
so-
do anything right now, you know where we're going to have a litigation on us by Deepa. She'll put a case in Supreme Court. She'll put a case in Supreme Court and say, how can we get Anupam the D-Way not for me?
What is Trump's case? Deepa's case will become a big
I
thing.
know, and Trump, I don't care, but Deepa, I
I'll
care
call
for
you
her.
back.
Yeah, you
No
got to call.
worries.
Very good,
I'll
yeah,
call
very
you
good.
back.
Thank you so much, Anupam. Do call back. You all there. 3 songs, what you got. Actually, she's right. And also, let us see. Oh, Deepa's now appealing for 1 minute. Sorry, Deepa, it has to be a congressional move. The Congress should approve for it. So 30 seconds is what we got to use, by the way. She's posting on Facebook.
I make a motion to extend it to 1 minute and I pass it. All in favor say aye. Okay, motion passed.
No. Motion passed. You got to go somewhere to pass the motion.
Gee, woo!
But
Wait for January.
wait
Wait
for
for January 20, Kavita.
correct. Anupam, you're right. Faltani should wait for January 20th. But-
Why, man?
Why, man? Matlab?
Why? Until January
Oh
20?
no, you don't know.
No. Why? I already accepted President-elect as Biden.
She already sent him a congratulatory note.
I already wrote to him about what I want him to work on. Special education में ये चाहिए. उसके लिए पता नहीं मैं वो पढ़ता है कि नहीं मेरे को मालूम नहीं.
अरे,
सब
don't
लिख दिया
worry.
मैंने already.
सब पढ़ते हैं. But Anupam, thank you so much. Very good. You got to give us a call
Thank
back
you.
to actually do it, okay? Thank you so much, yaar.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Oh my God, Faltani is getting heated up right now.
हाँ. क्या?
It's getting heated up. Competition.
हाँ ठीक है. अभी आलतू बाबा बंदों को स्टूडियो का नंबर देना है 408-912-2479. डू नॉट वेट बंदूजा, फटाक से कॉल करने का और यहाँ पे भाग लेने का. लेकिन अगर आप कॉल नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो उसका मतलब है
Okay, right now, Bajan, I have to make an executive decision over here.
Yeah.
I have a movement by the advocates over here. Faltoni saying that we need to have a 1 minute. We have people talking over there. We have Deepa who's actually putting a weightage. It's got 1 minute again. So I need to call on this. ये गाने के बाद I'll contemplate a little bit, and I'll see how much we can extend the timer to. But again, आपको यहाँ पे कॉल करना है 408-912-2479. आज का शो है Wordy Wednesdays.
शाहजहान मैं तेरा तेनू मुमताज बना दूंगा बन जा तू मेरी रानी तेनू महल दवा दूंगा
और अब जान it doesn't take much time for me to make up my mind because my mind इतना छोटा है तो मेकअप कर लेता हूँ मैं बाद में. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के वर्डी वेडनेसडे में. Who's this?
Hello.
Hi, this is Aditi.
Oh my God, Aditi! What happened to Aditi after such a long time?
I know, but I am a loyal listener. I'm always listening to your show.
Yeah, but
Mwah,
you don't
thank
want
you.
you don't want us to be loyal listeners. What is this? Yeah, we also loyal listeners of yours.
Yeah.
Whenever you call us, we listen to you.
Yeah.
Right, Valvani?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
good.
कर तो दिया आज मतलब.
Okay, fine. No, we don't. We're not saying anything. Good. Thank you for calling us. But by the way, you should thank the whole advocacy that went on right now. There was a very big advocate over here called Faltwani saying that we should extend the time to 1 minute, and also Deepa was there saying extend the time to 1 minute. But logistically, it's a nightmare for me sometimes. So finally, I made a bit up my mind right now. Aditi, you are going to be the first person who's going to be able to take on this challenge
Huh.
for 45 seconds. Whoa!
Whoa! So Deepa is saying, Although I have to give out the words fast because you are taking 15 seconds in giving out the word
That
itself.
is why I added 15 seconds more to it, right? I am very smart, Deepa. Even if you don't say it, I'll take it that way itself.
Yeah.
Yes. So, Aditi, by the way, let's tell everybody, where are you calling from?
Fremont.
Fremont. Oh my God, Fremont.
Fremont.
One of our new bandhus actually gone there. Probably a neighbor. You never know. Anupam.
Oh God.
You never know if you're on a grocery store line.
Fremont में कितने अनुपम होंगे?
कुत्ते भी अनुपम हो, लेकिन अनुपम. Yeah. Hey, whoever it is, you meet someone, be nice to them, yeah.
हमारा अनुपम तो एक ही है ना.
Wow. Faltoni, you're giving me the vibes of Shalaki right now. Seriously. Emotional dialogues.
Oh God.
You sounded like Rocky when you said that.
Yeah, मेरे अनुपम आएगा. Exactly. Thank
जैसे
you
मैं
so
बोल रही थी ना मेरे
मेरे दो
बंधु
अनमोल रतन.
हाँ, मेरे तो अनमोल रतन एक
अनुपम
अनुपम.
और अदिति दीदी.
अदिति.
तो उन्होंने बहुत दिनों के बाद आज कॉल कर दिया.
I know what happened today. Suddenly it's going to rain outside tomorrow, suppose. Today.
नहीं हमने बोला ना हमें भी उनकी आवाज सुनने को हमें हाँ सुनने को मन करता है.
हाँ.
तो इसी वजह से कॉल कर रहे
So
हैं, right?
sweet, yeah. So sweet. Appreciate.
हाँ देखा आलतू बाबा.
Very good, very good. Thank you. Good way of actually, starting the conversation.
Spinning it.
Aditi, right, 45 seconds you'll have. I'm going to give the words for you guys. Don't get distracted by my sexy voice and everything. We just try to see. What? You're not supposed to laugh with that.
Okay, sorry.
When you laugh at-
why?
It seems it's not true that time.
Well, it was so true what you said.
What?
Your sexy voice and all. Sorry, go
Aditi,
ahead.
don't mind. She doesn't have good taste, okay? It's okay. Fine. Are you ready, Aditi? Come on, Aditi, you're laughing also. You guys are mean. What happened? What is it? You guys
Okay, I
have...
can say pass, right, if I don't know.
Yeah, of course.
You got to get as many words as possible, okay?
Huh.
Okay, your timer starts when I say go, okay? And go. Your first word, love.
Love. सुनते जाओ क्या कुछ है तो.
Mehboob.
मेरे महबूब कयामत होगी.
Mehbooba.
महबूबा
Ishq.
इश्क विश्क इश्क हुआ कैसे हुआ.
Mohabbat.
मोहब्बत करने वाले.
Yeah, आगे मोहब्बत करने वाले क्या?
No.
अरे वो गजल है ना, मोहब्बत करने वाले. ओके पास.
Okay, Haseen.
हसीन. एक हसीना से मुलाकात हो गई.
Okay.
Wait. Is she like really making up song or what?
No, एक Ajnabi shade of the Ajnabi word. She got the
Hasina se. Not bad. Hell, 45 seconds mein she got 5 right, yeah? Yeah, very good. Aditi, very impressive.
Yeah.
Claps for you. Very good. So you got
Did I
5.
break the record though?
Not yet.
No, not yet.
So now the record goes for a toss because...
See, what happened was Mohabbat Karne Wale and you just left it there. We
Yeah.
didn't know whether it's a song or not.
Yeah,
So,
we thought he was describing us, but anyway, it doesn't matter.
yeah, had you got that, you would have had 6.
Probably.
Hey,
Yeah.
that song is there now. मोहब्बत करने वाले बहुत होंगे.
Uh-huh.
There
Yeah.
is a song,
Good.
but it's not like a movie song. It's a girl
Now
song.
you sound like Anu Malik. Making up songs all, eh? Aditi.
Yeah, I thought
Creativity.
that's what, when you said Ishq, I thought she's going to say Ishq jaise hai ek aandhi. That's what I thought she was saying.
But doesn't
Yeah,
matter. Hey,
that's what I was
Aditi,
looking for, but
doesn't
I
matter.
don't know.
Next hour you can call back and you can better the score also. 5
Yeah.
is a very good number so far.
Yeah, Aditi, today though, you have to I think you're tied at the top
Yeah.
spot.
Yes, Deepa will have nightmares today. She'll not able to sleep.
Right?
She's
Zima, I'll call back, you watch. I'm
really?
sure.
I hope she does because she's very competitive that way.
Yeah.
But Aditi, good job, man. Aditi, keep listening. I want you to better the score. I'm sure you can do 10.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay?
Yeah, if had you called out the word faster, I would have.
Yeah. Now everybody fight for Dalti Baba. I know. This is a trend. वो क्या कहते हैं उसको? आंगन टेढ़ा.
Just kidding.
Yeah, it's okay.
What did you say?
आंगन टेढ़ा.
नाच नचाने आंगन
I you should sing that word.
तेरा.
Don't worry, it'll come, okay?
Yeah.
But thank you so much, Aditi. Wonderful to listen to your voice after a very long time. Please keep doing this kind of mistake more often, okay?
हाँ, please, and call back, okay? Please. We'll look.
Wonderful talking to you guys. Cheers.
Same here, yeah.
Take
Same
care.
here. Okay, stay safe. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम में. कौन है जय?
Hello.
Hi, Panam.
Bastard! Red Sox!
Represent.
Whoa.
Oh, Red Sox fan and all, huh?
Oh, she's a Red Sox fan, eh?
Oh, are you a Red Sox fan?
She's from Boston. Obviously, she'll be a Red Sox
No,
fan.
man, she'll be a New England Patriots fan.
What are you a fan of?
मैं स्पोर्ट्स नहीं देखती.
Very good. Good answer. We should
Oh.
say
Impact का fan
next time.
होना बनता है.
Next time somebody asks you the question, Meenakshi will say, what are you a fan of? You will say, the show.
No, she's a bandhu. She doesn't have to be a fan. Be
No,
quiet.
man. You're a Bandhu man.
Yeah.
Totally. All right. So,
That's what I said, and not no man.
yeah, I said no man to her, not to you, man.
Ah.
I didn't tell you. I told her that.
Acha, okay.
Hey, but good. Nice to hear your voice. Meenakshi, are you ready for a challenge?
Oh yes.
45 seconds. I know you are very good at this game in our COVID creativity initiatives on Saturday evenings.
नहीं अच्छा मत बोलो.
नजर लग जाएगी. She'll say नजर लग जाएगी. I'll do ऐसे मत बोलो. नजर लग जाएगी.
Okay, fine. But I am under rooting for you, okay, Meenakshi? Ready? Okay, I'm totally saying Meenakshi. Without giving you tough words, it'll be easy words
Yeah.
for you because I'm feeling that you could do it, okay?
Yeah.
All right, your timer starts right now. First word, haunt.
हाँ?
Haunt.
फोटो पे बस तेरा नाम है, तुझे चाहना मेरा काम है.
Srimati.
जरूरत है जरूरत है जरूरत है श्रीमती की। नेक्स्ट।
हम सफर।
मेरे हम सफर मेरे पास आ मेरे पास आ।
नूर।
नूरे खुदा तू कहाँ छुपा है ये बता।
रुक।
रुक 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 अरे बाबा रुक, ओ मैं डार्लिंग गिव मी अ लुक।
आंखें।
आंखें खुली हो या हो बंद, दारू पी का होता है।
प्यार।
दिल बिल प्यार व्यार मैं क्या जानू रे।
Whoa! 7 songs! Woohoo!
You know, Bandhus are getting better by the calls.
I know.
7 songs she got in 45 seconds. That's excellent, yeah. Not bad.
And that too, she sang like full,
Full,
two lines and all.
I told you, no, she
Had you
actually-
not, you'd have probably gone to 10.
It's
I have
all
a feeling.
it's all the brain exercise she gets while
Thank
listening.
God it was only 7. It didn't beat my record yet.
Hey, hello. It's because of all the mental exercise she does when she joins our shows on Saturdays.
I know.
I know, that's true.
थैंक्स टू गीत गाता चल।
Aw, you're so sweet.
Yeah.
Very, very, but excellent, yeah. I think you did a very good job. You got 7, you sang them the way it's supposed to be, like, you know, and whenever you wanted to go next, you immediately said next.
Yeah, and you sang it to the point where the word comes in and then say next. Wow,
Very
very
good.
nice, very nice.
I told you, man. I told you. I tell you. Everybody, I think Deepa's now going to be like, I need to get it.
Yeah.
7 is a good number,
She's on
man.
hold already. She's writing.
But I'm not going to take a call right now, no? Because we need to go to a song also, right? Or do we go to her?
Yeah. If you go to her, she won't go on the air.
Yeah, she won't go in there. So fine, doesn't matter. So, but Meenakshi, thank you so much. Wonderful to actually see that you actually are really very good at this.
Yeah.
So you probably might win the grand prize. You never know.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
thank you.
And today,
I'm looking forward to it.
the grand prize.
Uh-huh.
What could the grand prize be? It could be that we fly you down to the Bay Area.
Yeah.
It could be that we fly over to Boston.
Yeah, it could be
Oh,
that I
yes,
go
that
drink.
will be a good option.
It could be
Come over
that.
for Thanksgiving.
Ah.
Don't do all those things. We actually will say we'll be there. We have open acceptance policy actually.
Yes.
Anybody invites us, we will be there. But you got to send us the address. Don't be like Deepa. Deepa say, come over.
Yeah, I will
But she
definitely
was in the address to us.
Yeah.
Yeah, till then we don't know where she lives in Mountain
Yeah,
House. We just know Mountain House somewhere she's there, but
She'll
how?
say, you know the windmills?
Yeah,
हाँ,
no, no.
वहीं पे चक्कर लगाते रहो.
No, the thing is, there are like 10,000, 15,000 houses there in Mountain House.
Yeah,
You have to
and
go knock on every house.
Hello, there are
Don't
4
worry, मैं आपको
exits.
एयरपोर्ट पे पिकअप करने भी आऊंगी।
Oh, thought tweets. Thank you. फालतू Boston के trip plan किया जाए.
हाँ, of course.
Sure.
Done. Very good. Thank you so much for calling us. सुनते रहेगा. मजा आ रहा है आपको ना?
हाँ बिल्कुल।
Next hour में और मजा आएगा because Deepa is going to call next hour.
Yes,
Sure.
yes.
Have a good one.
Yeah, and
Thank you so
call
much.
back and better your thing, okay? You can do. I'm sure you can do 10.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah, I will call again.
And we should have Varun ji also participate in this. We would love to
he's
hear.
bad at it.
Oh, don't underestimate the power
underestimate
of the common husband.
Yes.
Like, you know, not common husband. What do you say? The bandhu husband.
अंडरएस्टिमेट नहीं कर रही हूँ, मेरे को उनके सारे एट्रीब्यूट्स पता हैं, इसलिए मैं ऐसा स्टेटमेंट दे रही हूँ।
Yeah, very good. But you know, the husbands always like to prove the wives wrong.
Yeah.
Or they would like to.
Yeah.
होता नहीं है लेकिन try तो करते हैं. But very good.
हाँ, बिल्कुल।
Thank you so much for calling in. सुनते रहेगा. We go to a small break, a song break, and come back for our callers. Meenakshi, thank you so much for calling us.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
And of course, Banjan, we're going to be taking a small song while a break. We'll be back with the callers. The next hour, Banjan, on Wordy Wednesdays.
Left, right, Bible. कीड़ा तोड़ा तख्त पतोड़ा शोरों का फिर ब्रेड पकोड़ा खाके सन्नाटे को तोड़ा फोड़ा हड्डी के लिए सूप करोड़ा पी के बन जाते हाथ तोड़ा वैसे डे टू डे हुआ है चौड़ा फराटा है आलू बम पटाखा है छोटी सी पैकिंग में आई गुड्डी ये धमाका है
उड़े उड़े घूमे फिरे जैसे फिर की में मचती है खलबली फुलझड़ी है ये कुड़ी बच्चन से भी बढ़ के भिड़ू है रे दिल से ये रुतबा इसका है हवा सा उड़ती है जहाँ दिल चाहे मिलके फिर जनता बोले ओ
मजा आ रहा है ना? Great music with Jan for the best in entertainment and the best in music and the hottest tracks ever. You can get it on Radio D Hotties. For more information, go to MediaMahima.com.
Hi, this is Anushka Sharma. You're listening to me on Radio Day Hotties with Altu Baba and Faltu Rani, where entertainment keeps getting hotter.
मैडम जी देसी फैशन में लैती होली में घोली मीठी इलायची हिले ऊंची फौरन रिटर्न नखरा बातें बड़ी है हाय फाय बिगला पिया पे एटीट्यूड वखरा झूमे ऐसे ना रोकी जाए ओ जदों नचे बेबी सज धज लगदी है खाए जदों नचे बेबी सज धज लगदी है खाए जदों नचे बेबी सज धज लगदी है खाए जदों नचे बेबी सज धज लगदी है खाए
मानो मारो छोकरों ने सुंदर तारी छोरी लागे सबने एहू जैसे रब ने बना दी जोड़ी दूध हो ना हाओ फूलो खलो तुम एलईडी जैसी करना गलो तुम
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations. The views and opinions expressed by the hosts, guests, or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and entertainment purposes only.
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations
Proudly presents Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam bam!
Bye bye. Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaskara.
Vanakkam.
Khush Aamdeed.
Assalamu alaikum.
Sat Shri Akal.
Meekandriki Vandanamu.
Jai Swaminarayan.
जय श्री कृष्ण
जय जयेंद्र.
मैं इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोलते हैं याली मदद
मौलाली मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजी मदद को बोलेंगे नीसा बुला बनजान. हम आ गए हैं आप पे प्यारे आपके महिमा के दौरे में से बात बा 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 बा
बंद कर और मैं आपकी डार्लिंग प्यारी
फा
फालतू
फा 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 फा. ओके फाइन ठीक है.
फटका मारू क्या
फटका दे.
हाँ तो मुझे
झटका
जान
दे.
फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और ड्राइव टाइम शो that's gonna make it totally exciting and totally masani. Big shout out to all our veterans out there. Everybody who's putting their lives on the line to keep us all safe everywhere. So please do go ahead and make sure that everybody gives a shout out and remember the people who are out there on the front lines, making sure that we are safe and secure and we're free.
Mm-hmm.
And thank you for your service. If there are bandhus who are listening to us, we know some of our bandhus are people who are in the service. So thank you for all the wonderful work that you're doing by being out there.
Yeah, just thank you for being there for us. Thank you
Yes,
so much. And
absolutely.
we will not take this democracy for granted.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we will not let it tyrannical rule in the White House.
Yes, exactly.
We'll make sure we stand up against it.
Yes.
And
Absolutely.
we'll stand for justice.
Yes.
We'll stand for equality.
Yes.
Stand for democracy.
Yes.
So right now, I'm going to be standing for you, taking your calls.
Yeah.
Number to call here 408-912-2479 408-912-2479. ब्रेक के दौरान काफी सारे कॉल्स आए थे दीपा भी कॉल की थी and I told them to call back after the show starts. And what are we doing on air?
For those of you joining us for the very first time, first of all, welcome. And our show starts at 5 o'clock. So please do tune in at 5 o'clock
Yeah.
for the evening show and 9 o'clock in the morning for our morning show.
Yes.
Where, what else, Baba?
Yeah, the nice and this kind of voice you hear right now, it's my voice, Altu Baba. You also say sexy voice, Altu Baba.
Oh, God.
What?
Despite that, Punjan, you actually will get to listen to some really fun, entertaining programming along with some really good ganas. And if you'd like to chime in on the commentary and you would like to chime in on the discussion that we're having, or you want to play a total bindas, laugh out loud kind of game with us, then you can just pick up the phone and give us a call at this number right here. Now, there's one more thing that you can do. You can actually watch us on Facebook Live, facebook.com/Radio The Hotties. COVID has changed the way people consume media.
Yeah.
Especially those of you who are, and also the COVID hybrid, everything has changed because now electric cars have the option where you can actually just have your apps play. It's directly connected. Apple Play, Google Play, Chrome Play, I don't know, whatever. They have so many
Whatever
different
it is, just say play Radio D Hotties.
Yes,
It
exactly.
automatically pick up from the net position. Again, it's called Radio D Hotties. You can do it if you're not a... By the way, Tesla is not alone right now. You also have BMW in the game right now, giving us the first ever 300-mile range SUV.
SUV, which is going to be on sale.
Ha
You're going to have
ha,
to wait a
okay.
year, but then, you know,
It's still
they
fine.
have
You guys
announced
waited
it.
for 2-3 years for Tesla to come out.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's the BMW iX, Panajan. Pretty swanky looking car, but you know, that's another thing that you can do. And if you are driving a Tesla or any one of those cars right now,
Just press the button and say play Radio D Hotties. Boop, it automatically comes up.
it'll automatically pop up, Panajan. And you get to listen to our 24/7 stream as well.
Yeah.
Not just on when we're on a terrestrial radio.
Okay, so let's go up on the radio line. Namaskar, आपका हाथ वाले पैम पैम में. Who's this?
नमस्कार पैम पैम।
रंजीत भाटे जी कैसे हैं
सिंह
सर?
भाटे साहब, कैसे हैं आप?
हाँ जी बिल्कुल
हाँ।
एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास।
आप तो हमारे पिछले टाइम का योद्धा हो. आपने सही में इसको जीता था, लेकिन बताए ना, लेट अस टेल, लेट्स सी हाउ मच आप अंडरस्टूड व्हाट वी टॉक्ड अबाउट.
हाँ.
तो आप बताएं सारे बंधु लोगों को कि क्या आज क्या हो रहा है शो पे सर.
आज आप 30 सेकंड में जितने ज्यादा गाने गा सकते हैं आप वर्ड देते जाएंगे
हाँ.
और वो गाने गाते जाएंगे
हाँ.
और अगर वर्ड समझ में नहीं आता तो नेक्स्ट बोलते जाएंगे जल्दी जल्दी।
Yes, yes. And the 30 second नहीं, अभी 45 seconds हो गया because we had some legislative movement happen over here. Advocate Faltwani said yes, let's make it 1 minute, and then there was people power pressurizing to make 1 minute. But you know me, executive power मैंने use किया और extend किया 45 second के लिए.
हाँ.
वेरी गुड।
तो आप तैयार हैं?
हाँ जी मैं तैयार हूँ।
वेरी गुड. एंड आपके लिए वर्ड्स देंगी हमारी फालतू रानी.
अच्छा.
एंड योर टाइमर स्टार्ट्स राइट नाउ.
महबूबा.
महबूबा महबूबा
हसीन.
हसीन वादियों
आ?
हसीन वादियों फिजाओं से कह दो हवाओं से कह दो
ठीक है. होंठ.
होठों से छू लो तुम
हम सफर.
हम सफर मेरे हम सफर
Okay. तुम.
तुम हम और तुम और हम
जादू.
जादू तेरी नजर
मन.
मन
हाँ.
मन नेक्स्ट
Okay. चांद.
चांद को क्या मालूम चाहता
हुस्न.
उसने चला कुछ ऐसी चाल दीवाने का पूछना हाल
Oh my God.
वाओ. 8 गाने.
And मौके पे तुमने दिया. We just hit the timer of 45 and you get the 8th word. So we're
Yeah.
going to give it to him anyways.
Yeah.
8 गाने. My goodness. मनी साहब, आपका टच नहीं गया अभी. अब your touch is still there. Midas touch still there. Don't worry. क्या 8 गाने उठा दे. अभी देखो कितना डिफिकल्ट हो गया ना दीपा.
पास करके भी 8 गाने.
एक पास करके 8 गाने हुए आपके.
हाँ.
एंड एक क्लैरिफिकेशन भी था.
हाँ, एक क्लैरिफिकेशन भी
एक
था.
क्लैरिफिकेशन था. एक पास गाने में आपने 8 निकाला. वेरी गुड यार. देखो अभी तो प्रेशर हो गया अभी दीपा पे. दीपा
हाँ.
कॉल कर दीपा. 8 गाने हैं.
8 गाने दीपा.
पर वैसे मजा बहुत आ रहा है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है सब लोगों के साथ में सुन के.
हाँ हाँ.
हाँ, हाँ.
Thank you sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड.
और
And who else got the highest? Aditi, is it no?
Aditi got.
No, Anupam. Anupam
No,
got.
Anupam got 5.
Okay, but you can better it, guys. Come on, give us a call here.
Yeah,
You can do-
Aditi got 5.
No, 7. Somebody got 7.
Who got 7?
Aditi got-
Meenakshi got 7.
Meenakshi got 7. Meenakshi ji, call karo वापस.
हाँ.
And guys, come on, you can do it better. If people who called who actually got even 3, 4, 5,
हाँ.
Father, you can try if you want to.
Huh?
You can try also.
Why? I don't need
Your
to
record got broken just now.
Hello, look, you should give the words the way I gave. Fatak say, so that they know that they're going to move on.
What's the
right?
point? 6:30 you're going to move out anyways.
मेरे words
What's the
देने
point?
के-
What's the point? 6:30 you're going to move out anyways.
No, 7 o'clock. My meeting starts at 7.
ओके वेरी गुड. तो रंजीत साहब थैंक यू वेरी मच. अगर किसी और ने बीट नहीं किया रिकॉर्ड आपके लिए हमारे पास एक प्राइज है.
हाँ.
वो उसका नाम है सरप्राइज.
थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, Ranjit Singh Bhatia साहब. Have a good one.
नमस्कार. आपका हर साथ पैम पैम के वेडी वेडनेसडे में हुज दिस.
मैं राज लखोटिया.
ओए होए.
Raj Lakhoria साहब.
आई थिंक दिस इज गोना ब्रेक. राज ओके आल्सो वेरी गुड एट दिस.
ओहो.
या ये हमारे गीत गाने में आते हैं तो ही नोज ऑल द सॉन्ग्स ऑफ द वर्ड्स एंड एवरीथिंग.
हाँ.
तो वेरी गुड सर. आप तैयार हो? आपको आपने गेम का रूल्स पहचान लिया ना?
हाँ, मैं सुन रहा हूँ आपका रेडियो. बहुत अच्छी गेम है, बढ़िया, बहुत नाइस गेम है, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
यस.
कॉल किया.
45 सेकंड्स में आपको ठक 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 बोलना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. वर्डी वेडनेसडे.
हाँ.
हम आपको जितना सारे वर्ड्स हो सके एक 30 सेकंड में आपको हमसे बुलवाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है.
हाँ, कोशिश करता हूँ मैं.
हाँ वेरी गुड. लेकिन देखो पीपल एक्चुअली कॉल्ड द प्रीवियस सर्वर हु ओनली गॉट 3 सॉन्ग्स आर नर्वस टू कॉल राइट नाउ.
हाँ.
दीपा व्हाट हैपेंड? यू नो कॉलिंग. ओके नंबर टू कॉल अगेन बलजत 40891227 अगेन. क्योंकि हमारे फादर ने बताया कि वो बहुत अच्छी तरह से ना वर्ड्स देती है तो मैं उसी को अभी एंगेज करूंगा.
एक मिनट. हाँ.
एक मिनट नहीं 1 मिनट बोलो.
हाँ, ठीक है.
हाँ तो राज लोखंडे जी आप तैयार हैं?
हाँ, बिल्कुल तैयार है.
एंड योर टाइमर स्टार्ट्स राइट नाउ.
हुस्न.
तेरे हुस्न की क्या तारीफ करूं.
सुभान अल्लाह.
सुभान अल्लाह, सुभान अल्लाह.
बुलबुल.
सिफारिश जो करता हमारी.
बुलबुल. बुलबुल.
बुलबुल. बुलबुल. एक थी बुलबुल, एक था दुल और एक थी बुलबुल.
वेरी गुड. हाथ.
क्या?
हाथ. हैंड्स. हाथ.
मेरे हाथ में तेरा हाथ हो.
हम.
हम
हाँ.
कर चले हम फिदा, जानो सन साथियों.
वेरी गुड. आपने 5 गाने निकाल दिए. वेरी गुड.
Yes.
थोड़ा बहुत ऑफ कोर्स आई थिंक कॉन्सेप्ट समझने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. फलते डजंट मैटर. आप एक्चुअली कैन कॉल बैक अगेन.
हाँ.
एंड आई एम श्योर राज लोखंडे जी यू कैन डू 10.
Yeah, you can easily do 10. You're like.
यस वी नो. मेरे को आपसे पूरा विश्वास है.
हाँ.
Sure.
So call back after some time, sir, because we reset the time only after you call back.
हाँ.
ठीक है?
आप वर्कआउट कर रहे हो क्या राज लखोटे जी अभी?
ये वर्कआउट फिनिश करके आया हूँ अभी मैं.
अच्छा. मैं वही सोच रही थी. Actually, you know what? Imagine if you're working out, right?
It's
If
difficult.
you can cast this on your TV.
Yeah,
And
Fatmani.
you can like walk on your treadmill. You can think of the song right as.
No. Did you know that it's very difficult to actually think of all these things while you're working out?
Really?
This is actually an exercise they do in the Marines.
Uh-huh.
They actually make you do complex mathematics while they're working out.
What?
Yes, it's very difficult for your body to actually think. No, I'm not kidding. It's actually it's a brain exercise to be doing all these things while you're working out.
देखो बंदजान हम लोग क्या क्या लेकर आते हैं आपके लिए साइंटिफिक मेंटल वेलबीइंग के लिए. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for calling, Aji. तो आज से सुनते रहेगा. We have more things coming up, and probably you can come back, call back, and better your score also. And number to call, Belgian 408912247. हाँ. After Rajit Bhatia से उनके after he came onto the crease, everybody got nervous.
Yeah. How much did Ranjit Bhatia साहब get?
8.
8. And Raj Lakhotia is at 5.
5.
Come on, Anupam, time for you need to pick up the phone and start dialing in again. Deepa, क्या हो गया? वापस call करो. Yeah, Deepa is waiting to see anybody will do better than 8 and then she will prepare nicely. But Deepa, you don't know what word we are going to give
Yeah,
you.
Deepa, because probably when you call, I might be giving out the words.
No, Deepa,
I have a
don't
feeling
worry.
what happens, Father, when I give the words, people get distracted. Oh my God, what a nice voice.
What nonsense?
What?
That is not true.
Of course, that is true.
I think it's the way I give it. I don't.
No,
wait
no,
for them
because
to...
y'all like no emotion voice. That's why.
क्या?
Yeah, my voice is like, oh my God, what a nice voice.
Oh my God. तो जल्दी जल्दी कॉल करने का बंदजन 408-912-2479. That's a number for you to dial into the studios. 408-912-2479.
Hello.
Hello, Anupam is back.
Yes! स्वागत से करेंगे सबका
You
स्वागत.
know, Anupam, I'll tell you what, probably that's what's happening. He got distracted because of some voice and everything. Now I'm going to have Father into the...
Oh, poor thing. He'll get even more distracted.
No,
Perhaps.
no, don't worry. High expectations, Father. It only happens to my voice.
Oh,
Yeah, it's got the nice baritone, right? The baritone of my voice actually makes you will go,
क्या nonsense. Why
Yeah.
will he feel? Why will he feel distracted by your voice?
Some other voice in the background.
No, that was my voice, I think.
That was your voice echoing again.
Yeah, I don't
See
know
how bad it is, my God, Fatwari.
क्या randomness कुछ भी बोलेगा मैं. Anupam, is my voice bad?
No, it's not bad.
No, your voice is very sweet. I
Very
love
sweet.
it.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
चल झूठे.
अरे
देखो जलन हो रही है यार तू.
चलन क्यों नहीं?
कि चल झूठे.
मतलब उसको बोला मैंने, तेरे को नहीं बोला ना. I told him that.
हाँ.
He's been very nice to you, overly nice.
हाँ हाँ. Really? हाँ.
no, I'm just being honest.
Oh, now he's the artist. Oh, okay. All right, your timer starts right now. 45 seconds is the timer. Did you try 45 seconds last time or 30 seconds?
30 seconds.
Yeah, now it's better. He can actually do better. I totally think, Anupam, you can do 10, okay?
Yeah.
Concentrate. Yeah. Concentrate and take a deep breath again. Okay, ready?
ready?
Your timer starts right now.
झूम.
झूम बराबर झूम शराबी झूम बराबर next
गाता.
sorry गाता रहे मेरा दिल
Ding.
sing is king sing is king sing is king
Okay, जाने.
जाने कैसे कब कहाँ next
जय.
sorry
जय.
जय 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 गुरुदेवा next
Okay, एक.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11
बाबू.
12 13 next
बाबू.
बाबूजी जरा धीरे चलो next
That's it.
That's it, 7.
6, 7 he got?
He got 7.
I thought the king, his singing king was a...
Hey, he couldn't hear it. He probably thought it's sing.
Not bad, man. You got 7 on the whole thing. Nice, Anupam.
Not bad. Yeah, you bettered your
Sorry,
score.
what was that word by the way?
Ding.
Ding.
Like ding dong ding ding dong.
Oh, ding.
Yeah. It's a very different word. The people not know about, so you put that word there. Hey, very good though. But you got 7. Yeah, Faltoni was very lenient. She said, okay, fine. No, you got to take it. Not bad. Very close to 8. Next time you call, I'm sure you can beat 8.
हाँ.
Okay?
Oh.
Okay, call back
कितनी
again.
बार कॉल करूं?
अरे
बाकी
जितने
लोग भी तो हैं
नहीं
बेचारे।
तू टेंशन मत ले ले अनुपम कॉल करते रहते
अरे
हो ना
हम लेंगे ना कॉल यार क्या फर्क पड़ता है बस
Yeah.
मजा आएगा
Kavita is really like lucky for me.
Who's the person?
I perform better.
You might perform wherever better, doesn't matter, but who's Kavita by the way? I don't know who Kavita is by the way.
फालतू रानी
अच्छा फालतू की बात कर रहे
फालतू रानी।
हो हाँ मिस्टेक हो गया
फालतू रानी।
अनुपम doesn't matter गलती सबसे होती है आपकी पहचाने में गलती कर दी आपने
अच्छा
क्या
तो अभी आवाज की परख में भी उनकी गलती हो गई कि-
आलस की परख नहीं
हाँ।
नोशन की somebody is lucky for me
अच्छा
नहीं वो नहीं था second time third time is the charm
Just
always
kidding.
नहीं मालूम है
You
यार
guys are fun.
थैंक
you,
यू
Anupam.
यार थैंक यू सो मच रियली
Hey,
अप्रिशिएट
but Anupam,
Thank you.
call back again. You can do the better. You can always call 3-4 times. Doesn't matter. Okay? Thank you so much.
this is the only show which gives people khitabs
Yes.
like you know
कितने बजे
No,
तक
no, we
show
don't give
है?
books.
कितने बजे तक ये शो है?
अरे 7 बजे तक चलेगा. Don't worry.
साथ
अच्छा ठीक है।
हाँ अनुपम ये भी नहीं मालूम
अरे for him time flies no with us.
Oh,
नहीं मुझे लगा कि पूछ लेता हूँ कंफर्म कर लेता हूँ फिर कॉल करूँगा ना।
Call करो.
ऐप डाउनलोड करो अनुपम you'll enjoy the music रेडियो डी हॉटीज वाला ऐप डाउनलोड करो you'll enjoy the music you'll enjoy the programming as well
अपने आप को डराओ कीजिएगा please.
ठीक है
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच
Let's go to one of the line. नमस्कार आपका हर्ष पैम पैम में who's this? Hello.
Hi, Pam Pam, I'm back.
Hi, back.
Oh, hi back. Oh, Meenakshi, yaar, kya back?
She said, I'm back, no?
Oh,
Oh, I'm sorry, Meenakshi ji. I know you're Meenakshi ji, but why you said I'm back around set?
for some reason, I imagine Meenakshi doing a twirl and saying, I'm back.
No, I sometimes feel like I'm in that pretty DC comic world, right?
Huh.
People will think, Bruce Wayne, I'm Batman. I thought she's like, I'm back.
Oh yes, I'm back.
Very good, Meenakshi ji, wonderful. Last time, how much did you get?
7.
Very good. So you're going today target for 10, right?
Yes.
Now,
Dekha, क्या कहते हैं? What do you call when people actually have the kind of a cold feet and don't want to call back because they didn't get a good number last hour and they don't want to call back again because everybody
hey,
got
she
18.
poor thing, Deepa called in the break na yaar.
She did.
Yeah, she called ना poor thing. But Deepa वापस call कर नहीं तो पूरी जिंदगी सुननी पड़ेगी तेरे को. कि तेरी सिर्फ 3 नंबर था.
नहीं
3 नंबर ही आए तेरे को.
ऐसे नहीं बोलेगा मैं कभी नहीं. I'll say that you could not beat 8. Alright, so 45 seconds timer is going to start for you right now.
Wait.
And what's going to happen is, Vixen, I think last time you took part in the 30 second, right, Meenakshi ji?
नहीं, मैंने 45 seconds में.
Alright, very good. So you had 7, you're going to target 10 right now. If you do that, even if you go one above Ranjit Saab, you're going to be in the race for the surprise prize you're going to give. Because COVID situation, we don't have many gifts to give out, but we will give one gift today. That's Baltari?
Sure.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so your timer is going to start right about now.
अरे,
अरे रे अरे ये क्या हुआ?
sing,
Sing is king, sing is king, sing is king.
रूप,
रूप तेरा मस्ताना,
कोरा,
पूरा कागज था ये मन मेरा.
मेरे,
मेरे हम सफर, मेरे पास आ.
रुख, रुख.
जाओ जाने वाली.
नहीं, रुख,
जा.
रुख.
Face.
RUKH, रुख.
रुख से जरा नकाब हटा दो.
Very good. एहसान,
एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पे.
घोड़े,
हाँ?
घोड़े.
घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी तुम.
कहीं.
कहीं next pass.
Oh my god!
She got how much?
She got like 9.
9. The last one she passed, right?
Oh, she passed the 9 one?
So 8.
She got 8. Oh my god, hey, think of something now. What song? What was the word?
Kahin, kahin. Come on, you can think of kahin. I got it
कहीं
in.
तो होगी वो.
Kahin
कहीं
karti.
तो होगी वो.
कहीं करता होगा वो मेरा इंतजार. Is that right?
नहीं ये वाला, नहीं ये वाला.
Uh-huh.
कहीं तो होगी वो. जाने तू या जाने ना.
Okay, fine. दे दिया 9. Oh my god, not bad.
Yeah, Meenakshi.
Because she was there. I'll tell you why. But because she was there, she got it, but she was not able to get the tune. So
And the thing was where she mistook Rook
yeah.
for Rook.
Nobody in spite of that, she got 9.
Yeah, she got
Oh
9
my
in spite of
god, you actually beat Ranjit Saab. Call karo वापस.
हाँ.
Let's bring it to 10 in 45 seconds.
Yeah.
Good job, yeah, Meenakshi. Wonderful. क्या आप इसके लिए workout कर रहे हो?
आपका शो देखती हूँ इसलिए यही वर्कआउट है.
Oh shit. Good answer. Good answer, by the way. Because this actually forces you to think on your toes,
Ha.
right? And on your seat, basically.
Ha.
Because you're on a seat, you can think on your toes.
Ha.
It actually helps you with your brain functioning, basically, by the way, if you didn't know about that.
Huh.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it actually helps you with random access
Okay.
inside your brain. So it actually wards off dementia, Faltrani.
Acha.
Yeah, it's as good as playing a game of chess.
Huh.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Meenakshi ji, for calling us. ऐसे ही call करते रहेगा. अभी तो अब lead में है, आराम से बैठेगा because I don't think Deepa is going to be able to beat it if she calls, first of all.
She will call.
Oh, now we're saying that. Let's see if she calls, okay?
The Meenakshi has a lot of faith in Deepa.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Probably it's misplaced, but anyway, it doesn't matter. Good.
What nonsense!
What?
What nonsense! I have a lot of faith in Deepa too.
I even had a lot of faith in Deepa.
See, the thing is, I think Meenakshi, don't you think it's in the way you give the words and all?
I'm actually imagining Deepa, like, right now, wearing the headband, wearing the wristbands and everything, and doing workouts on a treadmill right now, running around.
Huh.
And wearing track pants, track suits, and doing the weights also.
Huh.
Working out to come to our show, make sure she can beat the 10. She'll call at the right moment and she'll get like 10 or 12 at one shot and she'll run away.
Huh.
Yes, I beat you guys, she'll say.
Huh.
Anyway, Deepa, come on, exercise everything and come on here.
Deepa, I have some choice words for you, Deepa. Call, no,
Yeah,
please.
Deepa, call, yeah.
हाँ,
And
seriously.
thank you so much for calling us. Meenakshi सुनते रहेगा. Right now we're on the lead, so आराम से बैठेगा. If somebody else breaks you, call back and actually can be. Right now, Ranjit Saab has to call back right now. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Thank you so much for calling in. Have a beautiful, fantastic
Hey,
evening.
does not mean other people. Aditi, what happened to you?
Sunita, where is Sunita?
Sunita, you were the first person to start that thing of 4.
She got 6, man.
She got 6.
6, I forgot.
5 she got, man.
5, huh?
5 she got. Sunita, you can do it. Come on, we extended the time 15 seconds, so probably you can get around 5 more. more than 15 seconds.
Correct.
So call in here 408-912-2479 408-912-2479. क्या अपने चेहरे को देख रही है?
नहीं रे।
Taking a selfie. Seems like
कुछ
people.
तो पेलोसी का कुछ तो चल रहा है.
कुछ भी चलेगा, don't worry.
हाँ.
And of course, Banjan, I'll tell you one thing. आज का show है Wordy Wednesday. If we don't go to a break right now, probably people wonder, oh my God, तो क्या कर रहा है Altu Baba, right? So we'll take a quick break, song break लेंगे हम लोग. We'll be back with this Wordy Wednesdays, जहाँ पे हम लोग अभी 30 seconds देंगे और ढेर सारे words देंगे. आपको बस गाना बोलना पड़ेगा. Make sure the गाना is like, you know, right गाना, because we'll double check, right? And make sure the word is in the first sentence of the Ghana. First sentence, doesn't have to start with the Ghana though. First sentence में word आनी चाहिए. यहाँ पे आपका call आनी चाहिए 408-912-2479 पे. Yeah.
इश्क से ऊंचा इश्क से बढ़कर इश्क से अच्छा इश्क बिना हम कुछ नहीं चाहे जो आए लगे दिल में इश्क मोहब्बत सबको गले लगाना अपने कल्चर की है आदत स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत से करेंगे सबका स्वागत मिलके चलता चल मसले करके हल बेहतर होगा कल ये सबसे कहते रहना बनके दिल ही है मंजिल पे तुम्हें सबका है ये कहना
स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत. Hello, welcome to Pam Pam. Who's this?
बंदा परवर थाम लो जिगर
ओए।
बन के प्यार फिर आया हूँ.
I like that fighting spirit with you, Ajit Bhatia साहब. Oh my God.
थैंक यू.
I feel
मीनाक्षी
like
जी कांग्रेचुलेशन.
हाँ हाँ मीनाक्षी के लिए कहूँगा. I see what he's doing.
Yeah.
मीनाक्षी congratulations. I'm going to go beat your record right now. वाह, क्या अदा है. वाह, वेरी गुड. तो आपका टाइमर 45 सेकंड स्टार्ट होने वाला है अभी. आप तैयार हैं?
एक मिनट
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
मेरे वर्ड्स रेडी होने
आप
दो.
तैयार होने से क्या मतलब, ये तो तैयार होती नहीं है ना. ऑलवेज लेट लतीफ.
क्या रे?
टॉकिंग टू यू ओनली. तू रेडी है? तू रेडी है? तू तैयार है? तू वर्ड देख रही है क्या? सोच रही है वर्ड्स. And of course, Bajaj, we have Rajit Saab who actually got 8 words previously, and we're going to attempt to see if we can better it because Meenakshi got 9 words, 9 songs into the 45 seconds. Great job. Rajit Saab, how are you feeling right now?
Yeah, I'm feeling good.
Yeah, I actually am doing the role of a MC of a particular reality show. Always good talks to characters, right? People taking part, participants. So you're
thank
feeling
you.
good. Yeah, but are you feeling any excitement, any kind of a thing that, oh my God, too much of pressure on me?
No, this okay.
This is okay, chalega. This is
Yeah,
normal for you.
uh-huh.
Whenever you call us, you anyway get excited and you know, anxious, right? है ना?
Yeah.
Very good, very good. तो आपने कुछ ऐसे इस पर्टिकुलर प्रतियोगिता में भाग लेने के लिए कुछ प्रैक्टिस किया आपने? दंड वंड मारे? नहीं?
नहीं, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं किया.
जॉगिंग वॉगिंग नहीं किया?
मेडिटेशन किया था.
मेडिटेशन, वेरी गुड. देखो इसी बोलता हूँ मैं दीपा को कि डोंट जस्ट डू एक्सरसाइज, डू मेडिटेशन. इम्पोर्टेंट है. हाँ, वो भी शी इज गॉन फॉर अ जॉग एक्चुअली टू मेक श्योर शी कैन जॉग अ मेमोरी.
अच्छा वैसे क्या?
वेरी ट्रू. तो आर यू रेडी सर? आपका 45 सेकंड स्टार्ट होने वाला है अभी के अभी एंड लेट्स गो 1 2 3 स्टार्ट.
चमेली.
चमेली.
हाँ.
मेरा नाम है चमेली.
हाँ. ठुमके.
ठुमका लगा के गजरा लगा के.
धागे.
नेक्स्ट.
शाहे खुबा.
ओ मेरे शाहे खुबा, ओ मेरी जाने जनाना.
दिन.
दिन.
हाँ.
दिन.
हाँ दिन.
रात और दिन दिया जले फिर भी.
फूलों.
फूलों के रंग में दिल की कलम से.
रात.
रात अकेली है बुझ गए दिए.
नहीं.
नहीं नहीं अभी करो इंतजार।
चला।
मैं चला तू चला दोनों चले साथ साथ।
Wow, he got 8.
8.
Consistency, but of course there was a little bit of a thing there.
हाँ.
हाँ. Sir, 8 आ गया आपका. But I know you can do more.
Yeah.
But you got to call back for resetting.
Ah.
क्या बोलते हो?
क्या वो उनको कुछ तो कंफ्यूज हुआ ना वहाँ पे?
Something he got confused on his words. He passed once.
एक वर्ड पास किया क्या आपने?
हाँ.
हाँ जी
एक word
एक पास किए।
एक पास किया था.
अच्छा.
But yeah, but he got 8 again.
हाँ.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Well, sir, we got to call back again, okay? We can beat it. I know you can do 10.
Yeah. I
But-
tried to give you as many as Raat. I just added on my own.
Last minute यही गलती की उसने. Because of that only all the confusion happening फालतूनी.
हाँ?
Last minute काम किया मत कर. Plan किया कर फालतूनी. Do we be like me? I planned 30 seconds before the show. What is this?
Oh, rascal, baby.
What?
I also planned today.
कुछ भी. You didn't plan. You're doing it now actually. Show के दौरान कर रही तू.
नहीं मेरे पास जो वर्ड्स मैंने चूज किए थे
देख फालतूनी. There's a very big saying in the world. युद्ध काल में शस्त्राभ्यास करनी चाहिए तेरे को.
सर आपसे एक सवाल पूछूंगी अभी.
हाँ.
ये आपका बोनस डबल और नथिंग है, ठीक है?
हाँ.
ये वर्ड से मैं सेव करके रखी थी दीपा के लिए. अगर आप बोल सकते हो कोई गाना इस वर्ड से तो
हाँ.
फिर आपको इक्वल हो जाएगा आपका विद मीनाक्षी.
हाँ.
ओके
हाँ.
रेडी?
ट्राई करो।
ओके च्यवनप्राश.
च्यवनप्राश।
ये कुछ इंसाफ नहीं है.
ये भटका दिया
ये बात कुछ हजम नहीं हुए.
इसलिए च्यवनप्राश दिया ना.
ये बात कुछ हजम नहीं हुई. लेकिन सर डोंट वरी. ये ऐसे कि उसने बट ऐसा भी एक वर्ड है गाना है.
एक गाना है च्यवनप्राश वर्ड से.
हाँ सुना है मैंने गाना लेकिन अभी याद नहीं आ रहा मुझे।
सर आप तो ऑलमोस्ट रोज गा रहे होंगे ये गाने
जब
को.
अंताक्षरी खेलता मुझे ही च्यवनप्राश बोलते हैं सब बोले वो सब लड़ते हैं कि इनको इधर लो।
हाँ. सो हमारे अंताक्षरी में नॉट फेयर यार. आप हमारे अंताक्षरी ज्वाइन क्यों नहीं करते हो?
हाँ
सारे देखो.
हाँ हमारे अंताक्षरी में क्यों नहीं ज्वाइन होते हो आप?
हाँ बहुत गुस्से में भी.
हाँ
नहीं गुस्सा नहीं होने देता मैं किसी को।
हाँ
तो आ जाओ हमारे शो पे आ जाओ. कभी कभार गीत माला होता है रात को भी.
हाँ.
सैटरडे को.
हाँ.
हाँ अगर आपके
हाँ
पास
जी.
कोई हॉट खजूर मतलब हॉट डेट है तो आई डोंट माइंड. इट्स ओके.
Oh.
It's fine. We don't want to impose on your personal life. But again, thank you so much. आपने 8 try किया. Come back and we can do better. Okay?
Yeah.
हाँ जी ठीक है।
ठीक है
Very
सर. थैंक यू सो मच रंजीत सिंह भाटिया साहब. अभी भी मीनाक्षी जी लीड में है. पर जैन आप सुन रहे हैं वर्डी वेडनेसडीज राइट हियर ऑन द लाइव शो जहाँ पे फटाफट टकाटक लोग वर्ड के ऊपर गाने पे गाने देते जा रहे हैं.
ये तेरा काबिल को-होस्ट जो है,
हाँ.
तेरा ऑसम को-होस्ट एक सवाल है तेरे से.
कौन है?
मैं.
कहाँ है?
मैं.
तो को-होस्ट है लेकिन तू काबिल और औसम कहाँ से हुआ?
ऑसम काबिल को-होस्ट.
ऐसे कंफ्यूज नहीं करने का मेरे को.
जो मैं तेरा ऑसम काबिल होस्ट हूँ.
हाँ.
मैं को तेरे से क्वेश्चन है.
हाँ.
जैसे कि तूने बताया कि ऑन एयर पे रंजीत सिंह भाटिया जी को ऑल और नथिंग.
हाँ.
If you do this thing, you get
Huh.
more.
Huh.
You'll actually get equal to Meenakshi's score.
Correct.
Now, what if Meenakshi got this answer on Facebook? What are you going to do? Are you going to give her
Varun
one more
ji,
and lead her up?
hats off. वो बोल रहे हैं should I call to lead Meenakshi ji?
Varun ji, कभी same response to all husbands. Try करो.
हाँ.
Try करने में कोई किसी का जाता नहीं है.
हाँ.
Try करो. Number to call
बीच में दुनिया कायम है सर.
40891227. नमस्कार आपका हर्ष वाले पैम के वर्डी वेडनेसडे में. Who's this? Hello.
मैं राज दपोती आ गया।
ओए हाय.
Yes. Wow.
This is what is called fighting spirit for them.
Yes, exactly.
राज जी मुझे आप पे पूरा यकीन है आप 10 करोगे आज. ओके 45 सेकंड में 10 गाने हो जाएंगे आपके. ठीक है आप तैयार हो? नहीं हो जाएगा. डोंट वरी. उम्मीद से कायम है. वो फादर ने बताया ना ऑलरेडी. लेकिन
हाँ.
क्या ना हमारे फादर ने बहुत डिस्ट्रैक्टेड है. फादर ने प्लीज स्टॉप डूइंग ऑन फेसबुक परचेजिंग राइट नाउ प्लीज.
अबे क्या फेसबुक परचेसिंग नहीं मैं.
यार राजी वेट कर रहे हैं यार. यू नो इट्स लाइक यू नो यूसेन बोल्ट स्टैंडिंग ऑन द पर्टिकुलर क्रीज एंड द पर्सन.
Usain Bolt doesn't play cricket. Usain Bolt is a marathoner. कुछ भी बोलेगा.
मैराथन नहीं है. ही इज स्प्रिंटर.
Yeah, that's what.
He's not a marathoner.
It is a marathon.
No, it's not a marathon. Usain
Usain
Bolt is
Bolt.
sprinter फालतू है नहीं. Sprinter 100 meters, 200 meters, 400 meters.
Correct.
And then he actually is on the crease as in that particular starting point.
Oh,
It's called a crease.
मैंने सोचा I thought the batsman वाला.
चलेगा
crease
फालतू
था.
है तेरा. तू बहुत ना समझ में मालूम है.
Eh?
तो तैयार है ना तू?
Okay.
राजी
Alright.
तैयार है of course.
राजी आप तैयार हैं?
Yes.
हाँ बिल्कुल।
Your timer starts now.
ओके।
गंगा.
कंघा
Ganga, Ganga. So, एक मिनट में reset.
reset. Sorry.
रिसेट
हाँ, okay, ready? Your timer will start. एक मिनट, आपका टाइम रीसेट करने वाला हूँ.
हाँ.
And your timer starts now.
Ganga.
राम तेरी गंगा मैली हो गई.
आवारा.
आवारा हूँ.
आजा.
सुना नहीं क्या?
आजा.
आजा सनम मधु चांदनी में.
रंगीला.
रंगीला रे तेरे रंग में.
नहीं.
नहीं नहीं अभी नहीं.
धागे.
धागे तोड़ लाऊं.
चमेली.
चमेली. चमेली पास.
अरे.
क्या?
अरे.
अरे रे रे गाना है. अरे रे रे करके गाना है.
ओके. रात.
रात अकेली है.
Not bad.
Okay.
Time up, but you got 8.
8.
Yes.
चलो ठीक है. बेटर देन लास्ट टाइम.
देखा?
Yeah.
देखा, वही बोला मैं. सब
There you
लोग-
go. Better
मैं-
than last time, indeed.
देखो क्या है ना कि अभी आप इतने आगे बढ़ गए ना, दीपा को लग रहा है कि अरे मैं कॉल करने से कम आ गया तो क्या हो जाएगा. दीपा, doesn't matter. You can call back again. You can actually do better also. Keep bettering yourself, right? That's the whole game.
हाँ.
वेरी
Right.
गुड. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
Thank you, sir. आप ऐसे कॉल कीजिएगा सर, 10 बना देंगे हम लोग. ये अभी मीनाक्षी सिटिंग एट 9.
Yeah.
आप और रजित बैठे सर दोनों 8 गाने पे अटके हो, मतलब 45 सेकंड में 8 गाना बोला, लेकिन यू कैन डू बेटर.
हाँ.
आई थिंक देयर वाज लिटिल बिट ऑफ थोड़ा बहुत ये कंफ्यूजन था वर्ड्स में, जो आप दो बार पूछ लेना.
हाँ.
हाँ, यू एक्चुअली सो we'll probably try to see how we can I can train Falcon to give better clarity.
Hey!
Okay, बता कर था. But thank you so much sir. कॉल कीजिएगा, फिर से कॉल कीजिएगा. Okay, we can do better than this.
Wonderful, Raj Rakhoda ji. You're at position number 2
Yeah.
in the countdown. You're tied with our very own
Ranjit.
Ranjit Singh Bhatia Saab. Thank you so much for calling in, and he is bettered his score. Let's see who is this. Hello, Pam Pam. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है Pam Pam. कौन है जी?
पैम पैम दिस इज वरुण.
वरुण!
Eh,
आ जाओ यार वरुण. Varun, totally, I'm totally rooting for you, man. Everything right, totally rooting for you. I might even extend the time for you, especially.
हाँ.
You never know.
या श्योर.
Yeah, but don't worry. I know you can beat it, okay? देखो यार, it doesn't matter. You got to attempt it, right?
हाँ.
क्या बोलते हो
yeah,
वरुण भाई?
definitely.
Haldani.
And I will win.
Oh wow, I like that.
Wow.
I like that confidence.
I will need the points for her.
You do realize
On top of it, yeah.
what will happen when you actually
Your
don't.
wife
know.
has 9. Okay, by
Yeah,
the way,
she's
just
the
to let you
lead.
know.
She's in the lead.
Yeah, your
Okay,
your
okay.
wife is actually is in the lead.
Okay, let me tell you one thing.
Uh-huh,
I want to
okay.
all the men folk out there. Please don't try to sing it in the right tune. Just sing it, right? And then
Okay,
second thing is
alright.
try not to go like if you don't know the song, just say next, so you don't
Okay.
waste time. Okay, that's one of the tricks for you
Sure.
there, because I know men, we are all perfectionists, right?
Yeah.
I totally get you, man. I totally get
What nonsense!
you. What?
What nonsense!
No matter how much you distract Fatoni, he'll get all the songs right. You see if you want.
Oh really?
Yeah. Probably he might do it slower, but that's a different issue. But we'll get it. Don't worry. Varun, are you ready for it?
Yes, I'm ready.
Fatoni, are you ready for Varun?
Yes, Altu Baba.
And Varun, your timer starts right now.
Samundar.
समुंदर से 7 समुंदर पार में तेरे.
Okay, Papa.
पापा कहते हैं बेटा हमारा.
हाँ.
अकेले.
अकेले हम अकेले तुम.
नीले.
नीले आसमान के तले.
गंगा.
गंगा तेरा पानी अमृत.
कबूतर.
कबूतर जा 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 कबूतर जा.
च्यवनप्राश.
तेरे चुम्मे में च्यवनप्राश है.
ठुमके.
तुम तेरे ठुमके.
आगे जल्दी.
Come on, you can do it.
Come on, Varun. You're at 8. जल्दी करो.
No, yeah,
Oh,
you
you can
did.
say pass. You can say
तेरे
pass.
ठुमके में.
हाँ.
Okay, never mind.
Ready, okay.
Okay.
एक ठुमके पे.
तेरे ठुमके सपना चौधरी.
हाँ. Okay, झूम.
झूम बराबर झूम शराबी झूम बराबर झूम.
Okay.
Hey, hello. He's already, his time ran out at 9.
Oh,
His
really?
time ran out at 9. You got 9 songs, 100%. The last one, I'm sorry, I can't give it to you because it went beyond the time.
Oh, really?
But not bad. You're
okay.
equal. Oh my God.
You equaled your 5 score, yaar.
Wait, I got a feeling she's right next to you, right? She's right next to you? She's right next to you. Was she googling and telling you?
She's on 9 or 10. She's on 9 or 10.
She was
got
a 9.
nine.
She's on 9.
You also,
Okay.
you would have got 10, but the last one I can't allow because it went beyond the
Should
time.
we do a runoff between the two of them?
But why will they run off? They're already married right now.
नहीं मैं छे वो
Any
runoff
chance for reattempt? Any chance for reattempt?
A reattempt, hey, you already equated her, man. You can reattempt if you call back again.
why he can't do again
Why?
okay
He
fine
can, but he has got to see rules apply to everybody, Father. Just
Ah.
because we love Varun so much doesn't mean we can ease all the rules for him.
यार लेकिन
We'll
वो
bend it for you though.
did you give him तेरे ठुमके or no
I didn't give him Teletumke.
oh, okay that's why oh in spite of that he got
He got 9. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I can't give the last song to him, so he got
Okay.
9.
I should be on 10. I should be on 10, right?
Technically, yeah, but don't
but
worry.
you didn't get the song now you just said तेरे ठुमके
Yeah.
एक
No,
गाना
I should get 10.
what is the गाना you tell us ठुमके
Which one?
What
Tere
song was
Tum-
that? Tere Tumke. What song was that?
Tumke.
What is the song? Tere
There is
Tumke.
a song.
Uh-huh. You know I'm actually going to agree with you, right? But you got to give me that song at least. One more word, I'll give you the thing. I know the song actually.
Yeah, there is a song.
Yes, there is. You're right.
Tumka.
Tumka gira re, huh? No?
No. That's
Tere-
Tumka Gira, not
Tere
Tumka.
Tumke mein Chawanprash hai, no?
नहीं तेरे
No, that's the Tumka in Chavanprash.
Okay. तो come on, think what?
Tumka.
See, I'll give you 10 if you don't give what song it is. I will give it to you. The
Okay.
10 songs, if at all, you give me that song.
Let me just recall it. Just give me one.
no googling
Smart.
no googling
Very, very smart. Okay. We know all these things. We know all these things. But hey, come on. 9 is very good. When you call back next time, you can make it 10
No,
for sure.
I want at least 10. You know.
So give me the song, no? What song is that?
तेरे ठुमके क्या
Tumke.
उस लेडी का अभी बच्चा भी हो गया अभी हाल ही में
हाँ, अच्छा?
हाँ.
You're paying attention to
Yeah,
what?
yeah.
You're following her, no?
हाँ she's supposed to be
It's her
something-
name. It's a very famous name from.
some reality TV that lady's name.
वो आप नॉर्थ में बहुत फेमस है मतलब शी इज वेरी फेमस इन दी बेल्ट ऑफ व्हाट्स द थिंग लैंग्वेज
Bihari.
भोजपुरी
Oh.
शी इज अ भोजपुरी स्टार
Oh, it's a Bhojpuri. I know that song, but oh God.
I know you know the song. That's why I was initially wondering whether to give a nod.
I know the song, and even I sang it, but I'm just trying to recall it. What was that?
Yeah.
I will give you 10 because if you include that song, you actually got 10. One more than Meenakshi thing.
Yeah,
Oh
I
my
should
God.
not then. I should be lead, right?
Oh.
Hey, we got to be fair here. If you give me that song right now without googling, I'll definitely hand it over to you.
Yeah.
Let me recall it. What was that?
Okay, I'll give you hints if you want.
Yeah.
This movie starring
Abhay Deol.
Abhay Deol. And the person, okay, fine. Here's what: if Meenakshi is around somewhere, you ask her; she will know the song for sure.
She'll definitely know the song.
And if she gives it to you, I'll
Then
also give it
she-
to you.
If she, huh?
Yeah.
I know the song. Let me just recall it.
I know you gotta Google that now.
No, I'm not googling. No.
Okay. If you want me to
I
distract, I can
don't
keep
like
talking.
her. I don't do like her.
I can keep distracting if you want.
Yes.
Varun, come on, Varun, you can do it. Hey, Varun, in radio we can't have silence. We gotta have.
Come on.
Sorry.
No, otherwise we'll not know what's happening, right? We'll have to keep doing some and all stuff.
Yeah.
Hey, but come on. Okay, I'll give you a hint, okay? Why don't you ask our bandhus for help? You say, bandhus,
She's
help me.
not helping me.
No, you can say, bandhus, bandhus listening right now, they're waiting to help you. Just say, bandhus, help me.
Huh? Why will they help? They want to go their turn, right?
No,
Nah,
let's see
nah.
what happens, no?
No, I don't think Bandhus will help.
But he's got
That's-
there, man.
Huh?
What?
What?
My
Yeah,
God, Varun, I'm supporting
That
the
is
she's not.
unfair to Meenakshi, right? We never gave her the opportunity to win
That's
one more.
true, that's true.
I
Hey, but,
song of Sapna Chaudhary.
what happened to
हाँ
that?
बोलो Google आ गया ना अभी
I'm just
लेकिन YouTube चालू नहीं है YouTube डाउन है तो सुनने को मिलेगा नहीं
सोचो, नहीं मिला? How does it go? गाना कैसे
How
जाता
does the
है?
song go?
Even give me...
song Aja Aja Tera Thumka, something like that.
गाओ
अच्छा, आजा तेरा ठुमका लगा दो ठुमका. हाँ.
Let me recall it.
Why are you taking
Yes, I want to win.
Yeah, don't worry. You're almost there. I've told you I'll give it to you if you give me the song. Like, you know, you already got it, dude. You got the words. You got the 4 words required.
Yeah, you gotta sing it.
Tere?
I can sing on his job and I can get 10.
हाँ देखो वहाँ पे चल रहा है वहाँ पे है
हाँ.
बैकग्राउंड में कम ऑन वरुण
Oh, yes, I recall the song.
Huh.
Tere Thumke Sapna Chaudhary. Yeah. Her name is there in that song.
Okay, what happens after? Second word क्या है? तेरे ठुमके सपना छतरी what?
Oh, God.
That is the whole sentence. You can't have a phrase.
Sapna Chaudhary. Lajab. No, you cannot win. You need to do me a favor today, huh?
Yeah, sure. I'm doing it now right now. Hey, dude, I'm allowing you to get this thing. Otherwise, I would have just said no. But because I like you so much, I'm telling you, yes, you can do it. There's one more portion of the same sentence. Tere thumke dash dash dash. Sapna Chaudhary dash dash dash. What happens when somebody has a thumka? What happens? For instance, imagine Varun, you're there and Meenakshi does thumka. What happens to you? कुछ तो ललचा था ना क्या ललचाता है क्या
तेरा तुमका सपना चौधरी तरसावे से
हाँ oh okay
Oh,
okay.
God. Reading the lyrics.
Yes.
Very nice. Okay,
No,
come.
I'm not reading the lyrics. I'm just trying to recall the
No,
song.
he's there, that's all
You know,
right.
Ah, very
Sapna
good.
Chaudhary is one of my favorite.
Oh, really? Okay, I'm gonna give you the beginning of the song. Aja, 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 teri sair kara do tumka
आजा जा
laga
तेरी
do.
सैर करा दो सपना चौधरी तेरे ठुमके में
अरे ठुमके में नहीं ठुमके सपना चौधरी मेरा वे What is this?
What is it? Come on.
मेरा
Hey, let him sing.
Come on.
He's doing it. He's thinking about it.
Tere
मेरा
thumke.
जी ललचावे से तेरे मेरा जी ललचावे से तेरे ठुमके में
दे दे यार.
दे यार, चलो
We'll
ठीक
give it to
है.
you यार. That's what I
I
told
heard
you.
this song so many times.
I
heard
know.
this song so many times that I'm not recalling.
Doesn't matter. That's why I put the framing properly. Imagine Meenakshi doing Tumka and how will you feel? But again, hey, Varun, not bad, yeah. Oh my God,
Oh
you
my
got a
God.
lead.
Meenakshi will be like, no, I can do better than this.
She can, of course.
Yeah.
Let's see if she call back. Meenakshi got a call back. Okay, no timer
So
set
can I
up.
get 10?
Yes,
Yes,
you got
you
it.
did.
We
Yes,
gave
you
it to you,
did.
bro. You got it. You got
Oh, I
it.
did?
Yes.
Wow.
Not bad. She finally like, oh yes, I got it.
Yeah.
Very good, very good. So
I got it.
yes, let's see if we never know. Hey, you can only hold the lead for some time until Deepa calls up and shatters the whole thing, or Ranjit Sahab shatters it, or Meenakshi herself might call up and say, I'll do better.
I can call back again. You know, if
There you
someone will go above. I'll
That's the
call, no
spirit.
worries.
That's the spirit, and I think 10 is a huge
Yeah.
number to come and beat against.
And you know what? We're going to tell you,
Sure.
man. We're going to give it to you, man. Because
Yeah.
he's like the fighting spirit. You know what he did?
Yeah.
You know,
He
I
said, no,
just-
I have
yeah.
to get in. I have
And I
to
was
get in.
sleeping.
Huh.
And I was sleeping. I mean, when I was talking to you, I was in like a kind of nap. You know, I
Ah.
just got up. So yeah.
Oh, you got up into this. You're trying to tell us that you're such a good person. You actually got up.
No, that our game woke him up,
Were you able
man.
to sleep when we actually were doing the show?
And she challenged me, and you know, she challenged me like you cannot win on me. So I said,
Oh.
okay, let me
Oh.
Oh, so what? She's going to make Malpua for you today? I don't know. Malpua is a very interesting dish. Yeah. Have you had Malpua?
Maybe
बनाते आप आपके यहाँ पे Malpua बनता है?
I think so, right?
Yeah. I know. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Good.
Maybe I'll have to cook the food today. You know, if I'll be the winner.
We kind of know
I
it.
will have to order
We
it from
don't.
outside.
We don't hear a voice in the background, so we can't know it. तो
She's
आज
dialing on the other
आज
line.
पिज्जा हो जाए कुकीज ओके बट वरुण थैंक यू सो मच अच्छा लगा आप ऐसे कॉल करते रहो हमें अच्छा लगता है कि आप आपका आवाज सुनने के लिए
Sure.
Exactly.
Thank you so
Very
much.
nice, very nice to talk.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Oh my God, what a competition, Faltoni. By God, Faltoni, see. देखो कंपटीशन देखो कैसा है वहाँ पे वो फैमिली के अंदर ही कंपटीशन था
हाँ.
and right now we have Raj Lokhate ji and Rajit Patel ji on tie they actually are level 3 actually
Yeah.
9 पे मीनाक्षी जी बैठी हैं और 10 पे वरुण
हाँ.
राइट दीपा कहाँ बैठी है माउंटेन हाउस पे दीपा कम ऑन कॉल कितने बार फोन कर रहा बोल रहा हूँ देखो दीपा ऑनर बोले बहुत भाव खा रही है दीपा पे
हाँ, really.
See, Deepa, had you called up some time ago, you would have been in the lead. Now you have to establish a lead, but now we got to get 11 songs at least.
हाँ.
Right, Faltani?
हाँ.
So, Baljan, number to call is 408-912-2479. Faltani,
Huh.
to bowl, what song you want to listen today?
Okay, I want to listen to a Shankar San Loy song. Any Shankar San Loy song. You have Altu. Let's see, Banuja, and today we're asking Bandus to take the panga and call in right now and participate with us on the show. We're playing a game called Wordy Wednesday, जहाँ पे हम आपको word देंगे, आपको उस word से start करता हुआ एक गाना बताना पड़ेगा, या the word should feature in the first line of the song, not in the mukhra, but just in the first line of the song. And you got to call into the studio. You get 45 seconds, and we'll give you the words one after another. It's like a rapid fire thing. You'll have to shoot out the first line and then say next. Go to the next song. So you start the next song, and how many songs you can get in. Right now we're at a record number of 10, which our Varun ji negotiated and got from us.
Hey, come on, we always encourage negotiations. Yeah, let's go up on the waiting line. Namaskar, आपका हर्ष फतेह पैम पैम के Wordy Wednesday में. Who's this?
पैम पैम
Pam
Pam. कौन है जी?
पहचानिए कौन है?
पहचान
अरे आवाज भूल गई हूँ मैं, ये कौन है?
क्या से कॉल नहीं करते ना इसलिए।
अच्छा
हाँ, बहुत दिनों से इनकी आवाज सुनाई नहीं थी ना।
हाँ।
तो सुना पहचानी सी आ रही है, लेकिन
जानी पहचानी आवाज नहीं है, बहुत जाने माने लोग हैं भाई।
हाँ, हाँ।
मतलब बिनो हमारे ज्योति जी हैं।
अच्छा,
अरोड़ा साहब तो ऐसा कॉल नहीं करते। अरोड़ा साहब ऐसे फेसबुक पे मारते कमेंट्स। हाँ, बड़े कमेंट मारते हैं, लेकिन आप बताइए।
बड़े कमेंट मारते हैं, फोन नहीं करते हैं।
हाँ, क्या करें, अभी बड़े ना ऐसे बड़े लोग, ऊंचे विचार।
ऐसे ही होता है।
हाँ होता है
कुछ और
प्यार,
है।
किसी का नाम प्यार होता है, इसके बावजूद हम आपसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं।
हाँ,
लेकिन आप नहीं कॉल करते हो। हाँ, एग्जैक्टली, देखा। अच्छा, वेरी गुड। एंड आई थिंक टुडे ज्योति जी इज रेडी टू मेक इट हिस्ट्री।
हाँ।
आप 45 सेकेंड्स में कैन यू गेट 11 सॉन्ग्स?
I don't think so, but देखते हैं।
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं बोलने का। I think so. I think you can
I
definitely
will
do.
try.
विशाल जी के हाथ में छोड़े तो of course not possible.
my best.
विशाल जी डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं, लेकिन आप तो फोकस में रहते हो ऑलवेज।
हाँ,
हाँ। एंड थोड़ा आप विशाल जी को बोलो बाजू जाने के लिए, वरना आप भी डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हो। उनका प्यारा सा मुखड़ा देख के आपका भी दिल फिसल जाता है, मुझे मालूम है। हाँ, आप तैयार हो ज्योति जी?
हाँ जी।
ओके, योर टाइमर स्टार्ट्स राइट नाउ।
जाने मन,
जाने मन मेरे दो नयन
गोरी,
चोरी what?
गोरी,
गोरी तेरा गाम बड़ा प्यारा,
रंग,
रंग भरे बादल में। नेक्स्ट।
ओ,
ओ जाने जाना।
ओके, हवा,
तुझे दीवाना। हाँ।
हवा,
नेक्स्ट।
हवा,
हवा ए हवा खुशबू लुटा दे।
अकेले,
अकेले हम अकेले तुम।
आजा,
आजा
हाँ,
आजा मैं जो प्यार तेरा
आवारा।
आवारा हूँ।
ओके, सो कितने हुए आलतू?
8
हुए?
8 हो गए। My God, I think little थोड़ा जहाँ पे थोड़ा ये हुआ था, we actually double asked the questions and everything.
Right.
And गाना आपने
Yeah,
थोड़ा ज्यादा
yeah.
गा दिया था।
मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दिया था एक।
हाँ, but doesn't matter. Actually, good job, man.
तो मुझे एक और मिलना चाहिए ना वैसे।
Just because we like you and Vishal so much, आप ऐसे वाह। लेकिन आप 8 is very good number, yeah. 8 is like, you always come to level of Ranjit Singh Bhatia साहब and also Raj Lakote ji.
हाँ, एक काम करते हैं आलतू बाबा।
देखो, अगर आपने लास्ट वीक जॉन किया होता गीत माला, probably आपका एक्सेस हो जाता, and you could probably have come to Meenakshi. Meenakshi never missed one session of ours, brother.
Yeah.
तो इसलिए उनका 9 तक आ गया। Of course, पतिदेव तो उसके ऊपर है। मैंने 10 मौका दिया ऐसे automatically. But thank you so much. आप ऐसे कॉल करते रहेगा एक और, you can try once more, but you got to call back for resetting time. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Jyoti ji. Have a good one. Pam Pam, कौन है जी?
हेलो पैम पैम।
ये अच्छा लगा मुझे, बहुत अच्छा। Very good. Let's just do this. I am rooting for you, Meenakshi. You won't believe it. मैंने बोला ना, हर एक फैमिली में हम दहेज में आते हैं।
हे भगवान, मैं अभी वर्ड्स देखूंगी, मेरे को डर लग रहा है।
तू दे ना, don't worry. But come on, let's do this. Meenakshi, are you ready for it?
Yes, I am ready.
Your 45 seconds timer has got to start now.
जाने,
हाँ?
जाने,
जाने तू जाने कैसे कब कहाँ।
जवानी, जवाने,
जवानी है दीवानी।
कौन,
कौन है जो सपनों में आया?
मेरे
मेरे हम सफर
झूम
झूम बराबर झूम शराबी
रूप
रूप तेरा मस्ताना
एहसान
एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पे
चमेली
चल मैं मेरा नाम चमेली मैं हूँ मालन अलबेली
नीले
नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए
समंदर
समंदर में नहा के और भी नमकीन हो गई हो
शायर
शायर
क्या
मैं शायर तो नहीं
Oh my God! Time up at 11 songs! Okay,
कि
fine.
कुछ गाने रिपीट हो गए यार
चलेगा रे बाबा.
अच्छा,
चलेगा.
ठीक है.
Doesn't matter. She actually got to the moment में ना. You got to be the moment, right?
Yeah.
She actually was able to think on the spur of the moment. It's wonderful.
तो मीनाक्षी जी आज आपको ही खाना बनाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि आप जीत गई
My husband is calling again.
अरे हमारे पास बस 2 मिनट बाकी है. If he calls in 2 minutes, it probably will take. Otherwise, you know, right?
दिल से नो मीनाक्षी give me the phone
Oh my God! Hold on.
hold on
Hello, Namaskar. Who's this?
This is Varun.
Ah! Varun say pam to Meenakshi. Meenakshi say pam to Varun.
Hello,
I
Mr.
know.
Husband.
She's leading on 11.
Oh my God, she's like,
I just heard.
yeah, what do you think? Should we actually do this run off with them? Like, 11 and 10. Meenakshi, we're going to give him the opportunity to, better his score, okay? To be fair, ready?
Yeah.
So, Varun,
Yes,
do you
I'm
think,
ready.
will you be nervous if Meenakshi's on air with you?
Yeah, sure, that's fine.
That's fine? All right, not bad. Ready? So,
I'm scared right now
don't be. Your timer starts right now. Go.
ख्वाब
What is that?
ख्वाब ख्वाब ख्वाब
ख्वाबों में देखा मेरे ख्वाबों में जो आए
ओके रुक
रुक जाओ दिल दीवानी
जाने मन
जाने मन पलट तेरी नजर
जाने जा
ओ मेरी जाने जा
जिल्ला
पास
पापा
पापा कहते हैं बेटा हमारा
अकेले
अकेले हम अकेले तुम
महबूब
महबूब मेरे
गीत
तेरी आंखों से मुझे तू गीत
हाँ।
गीत गाता हूँ मैं गुनगुनाता हूँ मैं
जय जय
सॉरी
जय जय
जय जय संतोषी माता जय जय
डिंग
डिंग
डिंग डिंग डिंग डोंग डिंग
डिंग डोंग
कितने हुए आलतू बाबा
11.
11
Not fair. Not fair. Meenakshi, I was rooting for you actually. Yeah, what is this? You guys are like, what? Okay, anyway, fine. I'll give it to you because 11 he got it.
हाँ
11 Meenakshi, oh my God, good hai. We are safe. Phew.
अभी दोनों इकट्ठे बैठ के खाना बनाओ
I just noticed one thing. I think there is some, voice problem with your phone. So that is the reason sometimes it's, hard to understand.
अरे भाई 11 आ गए तेरे को, don't worry. 11 आ गए तेरे को. तू जीता भी नहीं, तू हारा भी नहीं.
नहीं मेरे को 12 पे आना है यार मेरे को 12 पे आना
अरे
है.
don't
मेरे
worry
को
यार.
चलेगा.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. But the thing is, running out of time on our show right now. But thank you so much, both of you. I hope you had fun, right?
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
had so much
Yes,
fun.
yes.
हमारे तो घर में ही वॉर चल गया.
हाँ जय जय संतोषी माँ
I don't know why the song came
ये
up.
जय
We'll
जय
continue tomorrow.
Yeah.
This should continue tomorrow जी
We'll see. Don't worry. We'll bring something
कल
interesting
करेंगे
tomorrow also.
continue.
Hey,
Yeah.
but thank you so much, guys. Awesome. We had fun.
Alright, done.
And you guys have a good time. Thank you.
Yeah, have a
Yeah,
beautiful,
you too.
fantastic evening, and thank you so much for participating, being such great sports. Yeah, every single bandhu who called in, thank you. ये होता है enjoying and connecting during the time of physical distancing, Munjan. Please do stay connected. Download the Radio Dihotties app या facebook.com/Radio Dihotties पे हमें देख सकते हैं आप. You can Chromecast it, Applecast it. You can put it on your TV and watch also as you're sipping on your chai and your pakoras.
Yeah.
And you can also listen to good music all day long, uninterrupted, without any commercial interruptions. And you'll also get to hear us from time to time on those shows as well if you download the Radio Hotties app. इसी के साथ हम आपको छोड़े जाएंगे मित्रजन ये कहते हुए keep that smile, stay happy, stay healthy, and good night.
Shabba khair.
We'll see you tomorrow morning at 9 with Good Morning Bay and a प्यार भरा.
मैं नचदी फिरा छाम छाम
Great music, Badajan, for the best in entertainment and the best in music and the hottest tracks ever. You can get it on Radio D Hotties. For more information, go to MediaMahima.com.
Hi, this is Farhan Akhtar and you're listening to Radio The Hotties, where the entertainment just keeps getting hotter.